Father, my king. Father, please, I would like to have your attention if you don't mind.
What is it?
Father, you know, for some time now, for some months now, you and Mom have been on my neck asking me to choose a bride. I'll finally act to that request, and I'm here to present to you my chosen bride.
Wow! My brother is finally getting married.
Good.
Yes.
Congratulations.
I know you will not disappoint us.
Father.
Who is this bride? Are you making her available to this place today?
Yes, Father. As a matter of fact, she's here with me. Amuche here is my chosen bride.
Hold on. What a joke that isn't really funny.
Yeah. Sunset.
You're kidding, right?
We get the joke already. I know you are joking, and we get it. So please, show us your bride.
Amuche here is my chosen bride. I love her so much and I would want to spend the rest of my life with her.
You're joking, right?
No. This is beginning to offend me. The joke is beginning to get on my nerves. Tell me it's a joke, son. Please.
No, Father, I'm a grown-up man. Father, I'm old enough to make my decisions. She is the chosen bride.
Will you stop this?
Amuche!
I think this boy needs psychiatric attention. Have you gone wacko? Have you gone gagas? What is this?
Get out. Get out of here!
She goes nowhere, mother. She is my chosen bride. You should give me some respect. I'm a grown-up man.
Oh, you have the stupid boldness to present this thing to me as your bride, as your wife. This strength.
I have been wanting this to be a bad joke. Yeah. But it's beginning to make sense to me right now. Are you out of your senses?
Can you imagine the...
Get out!
What are you doing?
Stay out of this.
Rubbish.
I've lost it. I'm very, very sorry, okay? I'm very sorry for what my parents did to you in there. Okay?
I know they will not accept me. I know. Hamankwe.
My love, that won't happen again. You are the one that I want, the one that my heart beats for. Okay? Just give them time. It's a matter of time they'll get to accept you. They'll be left with no other alternative but accept you. Please. It's you that I love now. It's you that I want to marry.
They were sure.
100%, I am sure. Return.
I know it's because I'm poor. That's why they are doing me like that.
Oh, come on, stop saying that. Okay? Stop saying that. Don't mind what anybody says to you. What matters is what I say to you. My plans for you. You're the one I want to spend the rest of my life with. It's a promise I made to you and that I must fulfill. Okay? I'm sorry.
Oh, your father will see you.
Obviously, Your Highness, she used charm on our son. It's as simple as that.
I will sure make her suffer for doing that. She must regret it.
Your Majesty, I'm sending her away from this palace immediately.
Not yet. Calm down. I am going to invite Ezemo to purge her of all the charms that she came to this family to destroy my son. then it is very, very obvious that this is charm at work.
Exactly, Your Majesty.
Honestly.
How can our son, in all his exposure and education,
Can you imagine?
he decided to settle with common Gatewoman? Oh, no. We shouldn't have employed her in the first place.
You got it wrong there. Abenishu, the late father, worked with us here as a gate man. Have you forgotten? So in order to compensate the family, I decided to employ her services to extend my long arm of maternity to the family.
I should have employed her as maid, not security, not a Gatewoman.
I never knew that a day like this would come. I never knew, my dear wife.
No, brother, this isn't ordinary. You obviously not yourself. Can't you see her charm is already working on you? You obviously not yourself. I can see that.
No, I'm myself, my beautiful sister.
No way in the world you are yourself. Because who in their right senses, I mean, a man in your status and exposure that wants to settle with a nobody, like, why would you think of making that low life your partner? Are you freaking kidding?
I love her and that's all that matters.
Brother, I'm going to deal with that low life. I will so deal with her for doing this to you. You are not yourself.
I am myself, Nkechi Nnaji. As a matter of fact, I'm old enough to make my decisions. I love that girl. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. I mean, she have the charisma that I look out for in a woman who is capable of being the next queen of this great kingdom.
No, you didn't say that. No, you didn't refer to her in that manner. Look, Mom and Dad is not happy. I'm not happy too.
I don't care. I mean, they have their life to live and I have my life to live. I wouldn't want anyone coming to interfere in my business or my decisions. That would be a disrespect to me.
Look, you're making a mistake. A big one at that. You're making a mistake.
Then let me bear the consequences.
Hello. Yes, Sarah. Leave whatever you are doing and come to the palace immediately. Come with all your belongings, okay? All right.
Is she coming?
Yes, she's coming.
Mother, who are you calling on the phone telling to come over to the house?
That's Sarah. I asked her to come to calm this madness of yours.
Come on, Mother. I am fine. I don't need Sarah. I mean, what's she coming here to do?
Well, Obin, in case you have forgotten, Sarah was the girl we chose for you. Before you claim that you are grown up, that you need to make the decision for yourself. And we respected that. Only for you to bring in an insect as a bride?
Oh, Mother, with all due respect, please do not refer to her as an exit because she's not. She is the future queen of this kingdom.
Will you shut up? She's a nobody. And a nobody she will remain.
Mother, all I'm saying is that Sarah shouldn't come to this house. I mean, it's not necessary to avoid her being embarrassed because I'm not interested in her today, tomorrow, or never.
You lie. Inani Obina, you lie. She is coming and there's nothing you can do to stop it from happening.
Obina.
Rubbish.
Obi.
Idiots! Bastard! Where is that thing?
My princess.
I want you out of this palace right now.
My princess, Butuo, you don't have the right to tell me, the chief security officer of the royal household, to go like that. The only people that can do that and that will listen and respect them is the king or the queen. Go on.
How dare you flout my orders in my father's house? My own father's house.
Princess, I'm not going anywhere. Permit me to fall back to my work position.
You are not going anywhere. Did you just say you are not going anywhere? Okay, fine. Listen to me, you bastard. I shall make you live here miserably. Watch out. Okay. Okay. You don't want to go. I will make you live miserably. Bastard.
Bana Barago. You think you can just fire me? You know what it takes to be a security chief officer? In our Wakwanaya, this girl, I can package you.
My friends, I knew this was a bad idea.
Oh, please. They cannot tell me who to get married to. I mean, I'm a full grown-up man. I'm old enough to make my decisions. Or don't you think so?
My prince, look at the status of the girl you brought to the picture. She's just a royal Gatewoman. And I, my friend, I was shocked the day you brought her in as your wife.
Chima, listen, like I said, I'm old enough to make my decisions. I love Amuche so much. Amuche is a lady that I've seen so much quality in. She makes me feel a total different kind of a way. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. So I love her so much and she's one I'm going to marry. From the look of things, they want to bring back Sarah into my life.
Sarah? Sarah does not fit into your standard right now. It's a no for me. Sarah is not accepted.
Yeah, I feel some way too. I mean, I think that they're left without the alternative because they didn't want to take the one that I presented to them. So they come up with Sarah's idea. I know what their plans is all about, but I'm not going to fall to that. I'm going to stand my ground. It's going to be Amuche or no one else.
You have to relax, my prince, okay? Because I don't want any issue between you and your family. Especially your mom, okay?
There's already an issue, but I don't care. I choose who I want to choose.
This one I get the woman no way get the power. Joy, this get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She get the power.
Hold on, chief security officer. Hold on, for the chief security officer of the palace. Welcome.
Thank you. How are you? I hope the queen is at home. All right, please get the bag inside, okay? Thank you.
Get the bag inside.
You're welcome, my darling.
Thank you so much.
You look good. Thank you. Look at you. Oh my God. You are beautiful. Drop that back there and get out.
I thought she would want me to keep it in the guest room for her.
I said drop the bag and get out. Are you deaf?
Queen, that was too harsh.
My dear, don't mind that idiot.
I hope all is well because the urgency in your voice, I was beginning to think, is there a problem?
Not at all. All is well, my dear. I called you so that we can start the preparation of your marriage with my son, the prince.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
He finally agreed to marry me.
Yes.
Just like that?
Yes.
Oh my God, my
Queen, this is beautiful. This is good news. I am so happy. I mean, how did it happen? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you, my queen. Okay, so where is my Prince Charming?
Oh, he went out, but he'll be back soon.
Okay.
I need you to feel comfortable. This is your home, so relax, okay?
All right.
While I called the maid to take your bag to your room.
Okay.
And I also asked them to prepare something special for you.
Thank you. Thank you, but I don't know, you can just take me to his room.
Your Majesty, what is it? You look disturbed.
Nothing. I just finished a business transaction. No problem. I'll be alright.
I hope it's something that can be resolved.
Don't worry about that.
Alright. She's here.
Who?
Sarah.
Ah! Beautiful. I hope she came prepared.
Just as I told her.
Sarah is here. That's wonderful.
You are avoiding me, right?
That is because I've been busy, not intentional.
You mean you've been too busy for us? Is that it?
I don't understand. You just asked why I've been avoiding you, right? And I explained that I've been busy. What is there not to understand?
See, Immerse, why are you treating me like this? My father has been asking me when we are going to get married. I keep giving him excuses just to buy time for us.
You better tell him the truth, though.
I don't get you. Truth about what?
That I'm not ready yet. I'm yet to make up my mind. Listen, this is marriage we're talking about. A forever thing, not a trial thing. So I need all the time in the world to thoroughly make up my mind.
Immerse, I understand you vividly. But you know, we are perfectly made for each other. And I've been so honest to you since we started dating. And you've not been honest to me. I don't know why. What have I done to deserve this?
Hey, you're not about to start again, right? See, it's almost 4. I got somewhere to be by 4. So I beg to leave.
Immerse, why are you treating me this way? So you mean I'm not important to you? I want to talk to you. That's why I'm here, standing in front of you.
Chuka, why are you always quoting me wrongly? Why? Why do you like quoting me wrongly?
No, I'm not quoting you wrongly.
I just told you I got somewhere to be by 4.
But what about me? I'm standing right here in front of you.
Why are you trying to argue right now? You don't want me to go? You don't want me to meet up with our appointment again? Oh my God. Look at my baby. Oh, baby. You're back.
Oh, what are you doing on my bed? How did you get your miserable, pathetic self on my bed?
I thought you'd be happy seeing me. You didn't even answer my greetings.
I should be happy seeing you as what? Did I invite you? Huh? What are you doing here? Please get out of my room.
I am not leaving. I will not go. What is it? I was on my own, oh. When your mother called to tell me that you are ready for me. What is all this humiliation? Going forth and back in this relationship. For what?
Your gods for me. What back and forth are you talking about? I want to ask you this simple question. Are we even in a relationship?
Yes.
Because the last time that you came here, I remember vividly telling you that I'm not interested in this whole thing you call relationship. So what are you talking about?
Okay, now, maybe you need to look up, alright? Take a look at me. Just look at this beauty.
Yes. Is a full meal. Now tell me, why are you not interested in this beauty standing in front of you?
Good question, and I will answer you. I'm not interested in you because I'm in love with someone else. A lady that I will fall head over heels in love with over and over again. She's the one that I wish to get married to. So now you know, please, leave me alone. Leave me alone, please. Take a walk.
My queen, I thought you told me your son is ready for me. Eh?
Yes, of course.
No, he is not. From the look of things, it appears you lied to me. Because he came back, saw me in his room, and asked me to leave. For what? What kind of humiliation is this? The worst part is that he told me that he's in love with another girl. That he has someone he wants to marry. My queen, what is all this?
Sarah, did he tell you who the girl is?
No, he didn't tell me. I don't even know her.
Well, is the girl at the gate?
Who? The girl at the gate. Amuche.
Yes. The gate woman.
I mean, I can't believe this. How is that possible?
That's the fact. Anyway, Sarah, I see why I called you to come help me reset his brain. Because I don't know what has come over him.
My queen, don't worry. You see that girl Amuchi? She is not a competition. Not at all. Just leave it to me. I can handle it. I know what to do.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got it power. Joy. This get the woman no, she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got it power. But I dey wonder whether na juju she dey do. She got it power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She got it power.
Who is this that sent me this disturbing photo of me and Angela? Who is this? Who must this bastard be? It's obvious. He or she must have been stalking on me. Could it be Angela that arranged for this nonsense, this rubbish? Hi.
Your Highness, I've opened the gate since, but you don't want to drive out.
Are you stupid?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Get out! I do not want to behold your sight.
For security reason, I'll close the gate.
Yeah, where are you? Are you there? It's all right, I'm coming. I'll be with you right away. Just right away, I'll be with you.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got it power. Joy. This get the woman no, she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got it power. But I dey wonder whether na juju she dey do. She got it power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She got it power. But now which kind get the woman no be this yo? She got it power. Amuche, yeah, go on we fall for my. She got it power. Wahala day, so wood in no photo. Amuche they do magic.
My beauty, my one and only, my most charming. You're beautiful.
You know why I love you so much?
You sure do know how to get through to me.
Oh, sure. Because your beauty pulls me off my feet. Really, I've missed you so much.
I know, and I missed you too. Listen, there's no one else I would rather spend the rest of my life with but you.
But you know, nothing can stop me when it comes praising you. That's because you're beautiful. And I know I've missed you so much.
I know, enough of it already. Enough. Let's get to the lounge. I can't wait to drink and have some fun.
Your words melt my heart. Let's get going there.
I need to be wasted.
How dare you try to blackmail me?
Me?
How?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
Shut up, you know what I'm talking about. Do you know the implications of what you've just done?
Ibekwe, what are you talking about?
You don't know what I'm talking about.
I swear.
How did this picture manage to get to the public?
Oh my goodness. I don't know what... I swear to God, I don't know anything about this.
Will you shut up? Do you know the implications of what you've just done? Should my wife see this, my marriage will go bizaga. Are you aware of that?
I swear, Igwe, believe me, I swear with my life, I don't know what you're talking about. I swear.
Out of my car now before I lose it. Monkey! Bloody scallywag! Boom! You're the highest mistake that I have ever made.
I am going nowhere.
What do you mean you're going nowhere?
I will not leave. Leave for what? Leave me alone, oh. Leave me alone. Prince Obinna, leave me.
So you have the guts to talk back at me, right? It has gotten to that.
Leave me alone. Do you want to injure me? What is it? I'm going nowhere. What is going on here? He's asking me to leave.
Mother, she's leaving my room and that's fine now.
She is going nowhere. It will not happen. Never.
Mother, what do you mean it will not happen? Are you living inside this room with me?
I said she is staying in your room with her bags. Simple.
Mother, the only person that qualifies to stay in my room is no one else but Amuche.
Eh?
Yes!
For what? That commoner. Stinking Gatewoman, security, whatever. So you prefer that thing to me, a full meal?
Yes, I prefer her to you. So
No.
can you now leave my room?
You need to check me out. Check me out. What do you mean?
Huh? That's my daughter talking. Speak to him. Ifokwaria?
V8. Mother, you are now enabling her. As a matter of fact, you are encouraging this girl right before me. If I slap her now, she will wake up on a hospital bed, and I'm serious about it.
Oh, really? That's fine. And you will be in that hospital with her, taking care of her.
Of course.
Mother, you are calling for war. I mean, I'm old enough to make my decisions, and I beg you to please allow me choose my bride.
My dear, I gave you that opportunity. And what did you do with it? You failed. So, either Sarah or no one else.
You better start getting it into your head because me, I'm not leaving you. I'm going nowhere. This marriage must work. I have come to stay. Leave me! Leave me! Leave me! I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
What do you mean I don't even know what I'm doing in this house of yours? Huh? Go in there and get all your stuffs. Go and get all your bags.
I don't understand.
Baby, go in there and get your bags or I'll get it myself.
Where are we going?
I'm moving you into my room today, so go inside and pack your bags.
I don't understand.
Imagine my parents want to push a woman that I do not love. I want to show them that I'm man enough and I'm capable of making my own decisions. Baby, go in there and get your bags or I'll get them myself.
I don't want royal wahala. I don't want trouble.
Baby, there's already trouble. Please, just go get your bags. I will do them myself, I'm serious. Please, go. Imagine, what nonsense. I am the prince of this land and I have every right to make my own decisions. Baby, hurry up.
Not quite long. Oh wow.
But honestly, you look so pretty.
I know, thank you. And I've missed you. I missed you too. And I hope you came with all your stuff this time.
Trust me, I came prepared.
My dear.
That's my girl.
She came prepared. That's one thing I love about her.
She never disappoints.
She obeys.
What is this? Obin, I'm asking you. What is she doing here with this?
Mother, I'm moving her mocha into my room because she's the right person ought to be in it.
What nonsense are you talking about? Are you okay? Is something wrong with you? You get this out of my house.
Obina, I can see your head bent on bringing shame and disgrace to this family. But as your sister, I am telling you to your face that that would never happen.
Are you stupid or something? Huh? Is there anything wrong with you? I mean, who are you to stop me?
Excuse
I am
you.
the prince of this land and the head of this family after my father.
Oh, really?
Huh? If you do not mind your business, if you cross my path, I'll forget that you're my sister and leave my hand on your face.
You lie. Obina, you lie! No, you want to hit your sister because of this thing. Because of this evil. You want to hit me, Obina. I tell you something. Not on my life will I stand and watch this evil step her foot in your room. It's not going to happen.
Watch me do it.
Not today. Not in my presence.
Obina, take this thing out of my house.
I love. Don't mind that.
Eh?
Let me take it.
No way! For what? Not while I'm here. I am your woman. Leave me alone! What? What just happened? Hey. No, what just happened? Come on, what just happened? Where are you going to? What just happened? You are going what just get out of here! I said, get out! Prince, get out!
Mother!
I am here for you. Stop what? Are you mad? Are you mad? Where is she going? Go back here! Prince, I'm here! Oh my God, my leg! Oh no! Oh no!
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey. She's the one I've chosen to be my queen. If I saw
The way you're doing it, never thought about it. I go share now. Oh, she do my Take it.
What is going on here?
I did.
What are you doing on my bed?
Your bed? You must be very stupid or out of your mind to refer this as your bed. I want to ask you a simple question. How is it your bed?
You. I know your plan. You are here to spoil my peaceful relationship, right?
You know, see, Prince, warn her because if she tries me, you won't go Gabacha. What do you want? Warn her, tell her, educate her.
Oh, you want to beat me up?
I will beat you and bury you and nothing will happen. What do you want, boy? A whole chief security officer of the royal palace.
Hey! You did not just steal my man only. You are also threatening me on it. Really?
Please, Sarah, point of correction here. You know, it sickens me when you practically refer to me as your man because I'm not your man. I mean, I don't know what my mom told you that made you return here. I have nothing doing with you. As a matter of fact, I don't know you. Okay? The only lady that I love her is Amuche.
Hey!
I love her so much and I will fall head over heels in love with her over and over again.
Nti Odekwa. No! Obina, you are under a spell. She has put you inside bottle and cover you up. If not, why would you speak to me in such manner? Because of this thing. This pig that has not baited, for what?
Cho no the full basket. I'm waiting for you to touch me. Kankoziagi blue and black. Touch me now. You think it's by running your mouth? Bana barago, touch me. Let me teach you a lesson. Wait my prince. I'm hearing horn. It's like His Royal Majesty's back.
Yeah, I think so.
Let me go and open the gate.
My love. I'm really sorry for the whole stress this whole thing is putting you through. I mean, you are the future queen of my kingdom and you shouldn't be seen at the gates. I'm going to get a new gate man by tomorrow. Okay, so we can, or rather you can have enough time to spend with me. Sarah, you can as well take up the position since you do not have anything useful or meaningful to do with your life.
You are talking to me. My love, permit me to fall out.
You're permitted, my queen.
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say
Hey! Something is wrong. You better shine your eyes. Shine your eyes before it is too late.
She's my bride, the chosen one.
Leave me! What is it? If you know what you are doing to her, do it to me. Do my own. That's why I'm here.
You will be my queen. Hey, I'm my lover. It's me and you. No matter what they do, you will be my queen.
Mom, what are you doing?
Calling the police, of course.
Please?
It's best I deal with that idiot at the gate that wants to disorganize my son.
Mama, I thought we agreed to what's called Yezemo to neutralize whatever useless power she's using before arresting her.
I can't wait, my dear. I can't wait to see her in the police cell. I can't wait. The shame is too much. It's too much.
Is that not that's car? Is that not him honking at the gate? And firstly, pause whatever action you want to take. Let's speak to that first. You must have a better solution. Let's see him.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got it power. Joy. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power even to control the king. Yeah. She got it power.
Who could be doing this to me? The person that sent this picture hasn't called or sent a text to me to make any demand. Who is doing this to me?
This one I...
How dare you? How dare you? How?
Your Majesty, don't shout at me. I'm sure you wouldn't want your wife and your daughter to get those pictures. But Ichoskwa, you can go ahead and shout.
What do you want?
Well, I cannot say what I want now because now I've not decided.
What do you want?
Call me the most intelligent officer.
What did you just say?
I say call me the most intelligent officer. Lolo!
The most intelligent security officer.
You are whispering, no. I want your family to know. Because when you go to Papa, I can't hear you, sir. You're murmuring. I want you to make your family understand that I'm the best security person that can ever happen to them. So, I want you to say it so that your wife will hear, your daughter will hear.
The most intelligent officer.
I hear you.
This one I get the woman who got it. She got it power.
The most intelligent security officer.
She got it power. Happy you don't see our balance get the woman. She got it power. She got it power. Living to control the king. She got it power. But I dey wonder whether not juju she dey do. She got it power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She got it power. Which kind get it woman?
This is more than my stomach can digest.
She gets it power. Wahala day. So wood in no photo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand. I been a juju. I been a jassy. Now that's one we no know. Yeah. Joy. If she call on the queen, she go ahead. If she call on the...
Oh, Your Highness.
Oh, Dad.
You're
welcome. You're back. Welcome.
How are you today?
Oh my God, thank God. Thank God you're back, Father. You needed to see the madness your son has been displaying since he left. He almost hit Mom and I up.
What? How? I don't understand. He almost beat you and your mom, but I can't believe this.
Your Highness, she's saying the truth. Your son almost hit me before that idiot at the gate he brought to us as a bride.
It's still very difficult for me to believe.
Your Highness, wait. What do you mean? I'm telling you what happened and you are saying you find it difficult to believe?
You know what? I've had a very stressful day, okay? I want to go and have a shower. I want to go and take my bath and calm down. I'm having a headache. I want to go up and have some shower.
You people will not kill me! Can't kill me!
So wood in no photo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand. I been a juju. I been a jassy. Now that's one we no know. Yeah. Joy, if she call on the queen.
My sweet baby.
I'm sorry I delayed. I had to wait and lock the gate before.
Gorgeous of them all. Asauma. Eh? Just as I promised, I am going to make sure I get somebody to stay at the gate because you are my chosen bride. I mean, you're going to be the future queen of this kingdom and you shouldn't be seen at the gate.
But I love my job.
Okay, I know you love the job, but rather you do it for fun. But I mean, it's not suitable for you. Like I said, you're the future queen of this kingdom and you shouldn't be seen at the gate. Okay? Nobody is going to stop us. Not even my father. Because I love you so much. My heart beats for you. You are the person whom I would want to spend the rest of my life with.
I love you too. And I know your father will not be a problem.
Why did you say that?
Sarah, you were supposed to be in the room resting. You can't believe what is happening. Imagine your brother asked me to leave his room. He locked me out, me, Sarah, for what? What kind of humiliation is this? No way he did that. Why? Yes, he did. He is in there with that pig. Amuche is in there on his bed. Can you imagine? Preferring that girl to me.
Hold on a sec. That idiot was supposed to be at the gate, not on my brother's bed.
She is in there. Oh wow, the audacity for me. No way. No, I need to speak to my mother right now. Just calm down, please. Right. Mom! Honestly, people should do something about this. Mom! Do something. What kind of humiliation is this? Is that girl better than me? Please, so I cannot drag my Prince Charming with that pig. For what? Who is she?
My dear, I don't know what is wrong with your father.
Father, as a matter of fact, that girl needs to leave here right now. I mean, like, as I'm speaking now, she needs to be thrown out immediately. Can you imagine? Prince Ebina just threw out Sarah from his room just because of that riffraff. I mean, because of that bloody nobody. Like, does it make sense?
My daughter, calm down. Lie low, slow down for now. Take it slow. Let us discuss this matter tomorrow morning. I'm fagged out.
Oh my God. Father, what in the world has gotten into you? I could barely recognize you. Is this you talking or something else?
Let me inform you. I am still the king of this kingdom. Mind how you talk to me.
Master, please calm down. Why not take Sarah to your room? We'll talk about this tomorrow.
Leave.
Leave, my dear. I want to have a quiet time.
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey. She's the one I've chosen to be my queen. Before someone see me back, she's my bride, the chosen one. Yeah, I'm with you, my lover. It's me and you. No matter what, you will be my queen. Hey, I'm with you, my lover. It's me and you. No matter what they do. This one I get the woman away, get it. She got it power. Joy. This get the woman, no, she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She got it power. Even to control the king. Yeah. She got it power.
What's so doing, Jace?
What? What are you doing here? No, what is the meaning of this?
Prince called me.
Get out! Get out! Leave here!
Sit back.
What?
I invited her, so she will join us.
As what? A family member? No. Obina, invite the guards and maids to join us. My friend, will you get up and get out? I will
Mother,
call
she
you
goes nowhere.
Get out.
If she lives here, I will live with her. I'm serious about it.
What?
Sit.
Eh? God, what is the meaning of this rubbish? What is all this nonsense? What kind of humiliation is this? In fact, I'm leaving this palace. I can't take this anymore. What is this rubbish? Sarah!
Please, listen to me.
Sarah!
We should all learn how to accommodate each other. Allow this girl to sit and eat with us. She is also a human.
Oh my God,
What
Father.
is this?
Oh my God, Father. What has come over you? Is this you talking? Look, can you hear yourself speak? I mean, what in the world is actually going on here? What is happening?
Thank God Father realized that I'm man enough to make my choice. And not this fool who always wants me to do whatever she wants.
Oh, you called me a fool? You are the compound fool. I mean a bloody, moronic fool. That's what you are. That's what you are.
Can I eat this food in peace?
If you talk to me again in that manner, I will slap the hell out of you.
Do what? I double dare you. No, try it, Obina. No, you slap me. Slap me, imbecile. Slap me, moron. Do it.
Are you aware that I am still there?
You are not here. You're not here.
Chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey, she's the one I've chosen to be my queen. If I saw in my bed, she's my bride, the chosen one. Yeah,
What does she have on you?
Are you talking to me?
Yes, I'm talking to you. What does that evil girl have on you that scares you to death?
What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh, Your Highness, do not pretend with me. Do not. I want to know what that girl have on you that suddenly, whenever you see her, you go pew. Dumb. Are you under her spell?
What spell are you talking about? Oh, please
Your
spare me
Highness,
that nonsense. You can see I'm busy.
you no longer have problem with the choice of what our son made. Our Gatewoman. I want to know why.
Listen, my dear wife. It's not as if I'm comfortable with his choice of pride. But if we are not careful, we might lose our son.
Really?
See, we have to be careful. I wouldn't like us to push our son out by forcing Sarah down his throat. I don't want anything to happen to that boy. Let us handle this matter gently and meticulously.
No. God. God. You are under her spell.
You won't understand. I'm putting all this effort to protect our son. I do not want to leave my son to leave us. Let's be careful at this particular point. You can see I'm busy. I want to continue with what I'm doing.
No.
Prince Obinna, now let me tell you, you will never ever see me again. Rubbish.
Why does it seem like it's not the first time I'm hearing those words? My dear, go ahead and do whatever thing that you so desire or wish to. I really do not care.
Oh, really? But you will regret this. Yes, you will, because you don't even know what you are missing. You are missing a full meal. You see this meal here? New engine, new chassis. What of this one? If I loosen it up, it is standing. You don't even know what you're missing. Rubbish. And you will regret it. By the time you come back crawling to me, I will deal with you. Nonsense.
Please shut the door behind you. Thank you.
Don't blame me, rubbish.
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey, she's the one I've chosen to be my queen.
No way, mother. I will find her and bring her back to this palace. She can't live like that.
I know what it took me to bring her here.
No. I will look for her everywhere and anywhere. Bring her back. Obina must be made to apologize to her.
Honestly, I don't know what has gotten into your brother. I really do not know.
See, if this girl says she is tired, what is it? Then let her go.
No. Father, she can't live like that. He hurt her feelings. He had to apologize. I'm a woman. I know what it means to hurt the pride of a woman.
You see, that is the more reason she has to go. Because there is nothing you can do now to dissuade her from leaving, so let her go.
Greetings, everyone. My king, Your Excellency, I want to see you.
What? Have you lost it? Like, how dare you? Have you lost it? Have you lost it? Have you? No, mother, I need to know why you are sitting there watching these idiots. I mean, this nobody play the role of a queen in this palace. What audacity? Where did you get that guts from? Who are you? I need her to leave this palace right now. At once.
Amuche, you want to see me?
Where do you think you are going? Father, where do you think you are going? So that riffraff can barge in here as she likes and command you, and you follow her. Is this really happening? Is that how you behave? No. Tell me it's not happening.
Is that all? Is it possible you allow me to know what she's looking for?
Why can't she say whatever she wants to say before us? Why must you go outside to meet her? Have you forgotten who you are? Have you forgotten that you are a king? In case if you have come remind Yagi who you are.
And you think I have this luxury of patience to listen to this thing you're saying now? You don't know why she's calling me. Please, let me be. Racahel for once, or what is this?
You see? It's obvious that your father is under her spell. It's obvious.
What do we do now?
This one I get the woman who get the power. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman, no, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I dey wonder whether na juju she dey do.
What is the meaning of this? I expected you to know better. Huh? Why would you barge into my privacy? You don't come to me when I'm discussing with my family. We can always discuss outside. It's unfair.
Your Majesty, I just want to be sure that you people are not planning any evil against me. You are not amongst those that are planning evil against me. Confirmation can't you confirm?
Of what use would it be? Looking for somebody to plot evil for you, when I can comfortably crush you single-handedly in a minute if I want to, immediately. Of what use is it? Please, you should know better.
I'm sorry, Your Majesty, but you see that evidence I have? Hey, I'm not the only one with it. I have already given it to some people. I did not say person, I say people. Did you hear me? I did not say person, people. And the instruction is once they hear shh, once they hear that you have killed me or I have died, that they should release it. You know what that means to your reputation and integrity and everything you represent, Your Highness. I'm a man like where, because the moment they release it, all the blogs, TV stations, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, everywhere. Igwe. I told them that once something happens to me, they should release ASAP. ASAP.
Why did you summon me?
It's just to remind you, but you can go back to your family. You can go back to them. But I just want you to know something. Agama eyes on you. Wakandocha Sasuya. Igwe. Amuche. Agama eyes on you. Anyaneluwa. Onahuganyaneluwa. Come back to my duty post. Chief Security Officer of the Royal Household.
What have I gotten myself into? Must you lead me to trouble? Why?
Your Majesty, did you call me? I thought you needed my attention for something. Let me quickly fall back to my duty post. Anyaneluwa! Onahuganyaneluwa!
My king, if the people of Fumwa refuse to leave their land for us, I suggest we go to court.
Exactly, my words. I support you on this. My king, since dialogue has failed, we now have to resort to the government.
My chiefs, you are aware that the land in question has no document. Do you know this? And for that reason, we have to reason in between the lines.
I'm sorry, my elders. Greetings, Igwe. Igwe Kaifu.
Yeah, one.
Igwe Kaifu. Listen.
Are you not afraid? How dare you come into a meeting of the elders and Igwe to interrupt?
Oga, when I entered here, I say I'm sorry, elders. Enoria, you did not hear it. Oh, you want me to prostrate? Before you allow me to talk to Igwe. Igwe.
See.
Igwe, it's urgent.
That's what I'm saying. Don't bother about her choice of words. Let me apologize. Don't mind her choice of words. She cannot just barge into me. Maybe there's a security breach and she cannot make it a public consumption. So that is why I must go and see her now. Okay? So don't be in a hurry. I will see her and I'll be with you in a jiffy. Okay? Don't bother.
Igwe.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got it power. Joy. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman.
Again, you embarrassed me before the kingmakers. What is wrong with you, my friend? My counsel. What is the meaning of this? What do you want? What is wrong with you?
Chelugodi Igwe, inabamba, omuki inabamba. Eh?
But you are overdoing these things. Remember that I am still the king of this kingdom. I can be Igwe.
Igwe again. Igwe with this high level of immorality. Igwe without moral or be Igwe. See, don't make me angry. Otu anjikwa why all the like because if pursue me, I will just open my mouth. Wah! And there will be problem everywhere. Nothing will happen.
What do you want? Say it. My counsel, they are waiting for me.
Igwe in a rush, are you rushing me? I called you here, Kaiba, now. Let's have something to... We need to talk about something. The council are waiting for you. The chief security officer of the palace wants to talk to you. Ngwabu council is so council now. Yes, security.
Amucha, I am still the king.
They should wait. I'm still the chief security officer.
Honestly, my queen, I don't know what's going on. She no longer takes my calls or reply my messages.
I'm surprised you're saying this. I thought you guys are getting along.
Yeah, we used to get along. But for 2 months now, we haven't spent time together. I don't really know if she has another man in her life.
Oh, no, my prince. That won't be possible. That's not possible. I'm sure you are the only one her heart beats for. Please calm down. I will speak to her. But she has told me all manner of good things about you and your happy moments with her. I'm surprised you're saying this.
My queen, it's not really about me. It's about my parents. They want me to get married soon. I am really tired of all these situations, my queen. It's really frustrating.
Please, calm down. I will talk to her. I will talk to her. Please calm down.
Okay, please. I really need to know what's happening, my queen. Please help me do your best.
Of course I will.
Alright, thank you very much.
Can we get something for you to eat or drink?
No, my queen, maybe some other time, okay? I'm not really in the right frame of mind.
What is going on? Your man, Prince Chuka, was complaining bitterly about you. Have you been lying to me?
I don't understand.
Prince Chuka was here. He was complaining about you and the way you've been treating him. You know the reason we are pushing you to marry him. We stand to gain a lot from your marriage to him.
At the expense of my own happiness, right?
My dear, you are doing it for us, your family. If you lose that boy, it's going to affect us financially. You know his father is very, very rich.
Same with my father. My father is rich too.
Yes, you're right. But not as wealthy as Igwe or Zemena. You know who he is. I thought we had an understanding. Or do you want me to involve your father in this?
No. Do not involve father, please. Please. I'll see what I can do about it. I'm not promising. I'll see.
Please. It's very, very important. And don't disappoint us.
Hold on. Don't break down the gate.
We have a meeting with you.
No, not possible. Igwe is not available.
Have you gone mad? Why are you blocking my way?
I say you cannot go and see Igwe. Igwe is not disposed to see anybody. As the chief security officer of the royal household,
What an insult. A girl for that matter, telling us the kingmakers not to go and see our king.
You can't see him.
Are you explaining to her? Who is she to stop us from entering the palace?
The chief security officer of the royal household have all the right, the impetus to stop you from disturbing Igwe. Igwe is taking CS.
This is our palace and we must enter.
I am the chief security officer. I will tell you when it's convenient for His Royal Majesty King Ndidi to see you. Not now. Go back.
You don't have right to stop us.
Yeah, come and pass now. Okay, please, you push you. Come on.
No.
She will be punished for this. Trust me. Let's go.
This getting woman, no, she no be regular. She got it power. Happy you don't see our palace getting woman. She got it power. She carry power. Even to control the king. She got it power. But I dey wonder whether na juju she dey do. She got it power. How come on?
You kept me waiting.
I'm sorry, my queen. I was at the palace. I thought we'd be having a meeting with the king, but was distracted by that animal you kept at your gate. You call a Gatewoman or whatever she's known as.
Hold on. She disrupted your meeting or what? I don't get it.
No, she refused us seeing the king.
Eh?
Honestly, I am
This is the height of it.
Who does that? What right does she have to lock the kingmakers out of the palace? No. This is too much.
Honestly.
No, it's unacceptable. It's unacceptable.
I am more than unhappy. She locked us out and refused us entrance.
You know what to know? Once I get to the palace, you see that goat? I will chase her out. I will chase her out. Enough of that nonsense.
Just calm down. Let us enjoy this moment together, okay?
Please leave me. I'm pissed. I'm not happy.
My queen, calm down. You know I've missed you. Come on, relax, baby.
Amuche! Come here. Come here! My queen. Who do you think you are? I'm asking you. Who do you think you are?
My queen, what did I do? K4.
What gave you the audacity to stop the kingmakers from coming in here for a meeting they have with Igwe?
I only told them to come back later, that Igwe will be waiting. That is what I did.
And what right do you have to say that? You worthless bedbug. Now go in there, pack your things and get out of this palace.
My queen, Ruben Kotuan, how?
Are you deaf? I say go in there, pack your things and get out of this palace. I'm talking, you're still standing there. Move.
My queen.
Move.
My queen, here I draw one mouth.
Get out.
You are pushing the chief security officer.
Be fast about it. Pack your things and
This one I get
Pack your things and get out.
She got the power. This get the
Be fast.
woman. She no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace. Get the woman. She got the power. She carry power. Even to control.
Your Majesty. No, all is not well, oh. I just want to inform you officially that I've been thrown outside the palace by your wife, the queen. Yes, Your Majesty, the chief security officer of the royal palace is outside. All right, noted.
Palace get the woman. She get the power. She carry power. Even to control the king. Yeah. She get the power. But I wonder whether not juju she did do.
Why did you throw her out? Why?
Send who out? Who are you referring to?
The security girl. She told me that you sent her, you threw her things out. Why? Why did you do that?
Your Highness, I don't need that bastard working for us anymore. She's a destroyer that has come to destroy our home. Can't you see that?
You do not, I repeat, you do not have such authority when I am not involved in it. You don't have right to send that girl out without seeking for my consent. It is ignorable. It is an insult to my person.
I have had enough of her. She needs to leave. She must leave.
For you not to seek for my consent before taking this decision, that girl remains the security in this palace until I say so. But now remember, that girl is our son's choice of a wife. Let's not do anything that will push our son far away from us. Both of us will stand to regret it. We must live to regret it. Now listen to me. Try everything humanly possible to learn how to tolerate this girl, accommodate her for the interest of our son. Because of our son.
Your Highness, what has come over you? What has come over you? Why have you become this annoying lately? This is not you. What has come over you?
I don't.
What? No, excuse me. But you know this is not the right place for this.
Oh, babe, I opted we go to the hotel, but you refused.
Chuka, there's time for everything. Do you know?
Masinachi, when will you have time for us? When will you have my time? My parents want to see you. Can we go see them, please?
Oh, I see. The reason you went to go report me to my mother. You reported me to her as my savior or what? I need to know.
Masinachi, what do you want me to do? You've been avoiding me lately. Your mom is the only one I know that can talk to you. So I just wanted her to sort this out amicably.
You are the unfair one here. You are the impatient one. Yes, and you are very selfish too. I'll tell you why. You don't even want to give me time to think about this whole thing. I need to process it. All you just want is now, just to please yourself. Why? You're not even thinking about me. Am I not important too?
Masinachi, for how long? For how long will I wait? You know very well that I love you and I want the best for you. But you keep pushing me aside. You're making me feel as if you have someone in your life.
Excuse you, Chuka. I beg your pardon. Like, you trying to insult me right now?
No.
Is that it?
Don't get me wrong, babe. I'm not insulting you. Fine, I'm sorry. I want to walk things out.
It's okay. I'm done with this discussion. Please, can you take me back home?
Babe,
I don't even know why we stopped here in the first place. Can you take me back home right now?
Alright, it's fine.
I'm done. Can we go? Open your car, please. I don't even know why you brought me here in the first place. Open your car, please. I want to go. Please, let's go.
Oh, my lord, I saw your missed calls. I'm sorry about that. I was in one office function, so I couldn't take your call. I'm deeply sorry. I hope you don't feel bad.
I was calling you when your mother threw me out of the house.
My mother did what?
Yes. If not that your father came back, I would have still been outside by now.
Why would my mother want to send you out of the house? I mean, without my consent. It doesn't make any sense. I'm sorry about that, baby. I'm going to confront her about this.
Wait first now. Let's this one. I've missed you before it be the problem.
You know you're so sweet. And I've missed you so much too. Baby, I spoke with the man that is going to replace you at this gate.
No. I told you I don't want anybody to replace me, that I love my job. But now, I still love my job.
My love, I am taking this relationship to another level. Okay? I don't want you to be seen at the gate.
Oh yeah, let's wait first. You are ready to perfect everything and pay my bride price. Your water. We're on hyper chest now. You will do everything once. It's not small.
You know this is not right. But then, it's fine. I will do just as you have said. Okay? But then I need you to know that you are the future queen of this kingdom. You are my chosen bride. You shouldn't be seen at that gate. Okay? I'll give you some time to think about it and make up your mind.
Carnage. You started.
Oh, welcome to the royal household.
Wait, what's happening? What is she doing? I thought you said you were moving out.
I tried, but it didn't work out. Igwe refused to sack her. What do you expect me to do?
What do you mean by that? Can't you see, or doesn't he know he's no longer fit to be on that throne?
Say, oh no, you really need to talk to him. I don't know what is going on with him. I don't know. Please.
This is not nice at all.
It's alright. Let's go inside.
My king, I'm serious. She stopped us from entering the palace yesterday.
And what did she say was her reason for doing that?
She said you were sleeping and did not need our disturbances.
Yes, I had a slight headache yesterday.
My king, no matter what, she's not supposed to stop us from entering the palace. That's an abomination. She has no regards for us. She should be sent out of the palace.
She made a mistake. That's okay. She thought I needed not to be disturbed. And she forgot the fact that as kingmakers, you have access to this palace at any time. I'm sorry about that.
All the same, my king, she should be sent out immediately.
Is that supposed to be an order?
No, my king. I'm merely suggesting.
Well, it is my duty to sack her when I deem it fit to do that, and nobody tells me what to do.
I want both of you to listen to me carefully. The information reaching me now is that that girl at the gate has started using charm. That's how she got Obinna's love and willing to marry her.
Mother, what are you talking about?
She's saying the truth.
What truth? I'm not going to accept that.
I'm not surprised you said this. And I wasn't expecting you to believe me since you are under her spell. But believe me when I say, if you don't stay away from that girl, she will destroy you.
Mother, I thought you have something better to say. I'm out of there.
Huh? Obinna! Oh, Obinna! Obinna! Come back here!
Can you just see that? Can you see? I don't even know what that girl is still doing here. Why is she still here? Why can't we just send her away at once?
I did send her away and your father brought her back in.
Now that evil, that witch definitely has a stronghold on father. I'm not going to sit back and watch her destroy him or control him anymore.
If only your brother will listen to me.
Mother, you can't entirely blame him like that. You can see that she has trapped his heart already. Huh? She just needs to be stopped. We have to stop her at once.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman, no, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see her. Let's get it.
What is the meaning of this? How dare you barge into my room without knocking? This is from you. From who? Come back here, I'm talking to you. Amuche.
How come on I go give
idiot. What is the meaning of that picture that you dropped in my room? Emuch, I'm asking you, come on, answer me.
Because if you continue to shout like this, I will make sure Igwe gets those pictures. Ozubo.
Emuch, I'm sorry. Where did you get that picture?
Holy Ghost sent the pictures to me. God wants you to know that his eyes are upon you. Okunaga warawara. Anyanaga warawara na hoya. Ojena Mo showed me everything and gave me proof.
Amuche, please, I beg of you. I don't want my husband or my children to see that picture. Destroy it, please.
Yes. So, this kind of quiet, calm voice is inside you. So you can actually talk to somebody like human being. Okay?
Please. Ibekwe. I'm begging you. Please.
Don't touch me, ma. Your Highness.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman no, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I dey wonder whether not juju she dey do.
Where is your daughter?
What happened?
King Ozemena called me and told me that he's not happy. He complained about the way your daughter is not doing things right. He said she's no more interested in marrying the young man any longer, the prince.
He said that to you?
He lodged in his unhappiness. Why is your daughter behaving like this? What is her problem?
Your Highness, please calm down. Let me fetch her immediately.
I can't fix this. This girl wants to ruin what I have labored for these several years.
Your Highness, she's here.
Nnaji.
Yeah. You called me.
What is wrong with you? What happened? What is happening between you and King Ozemena's son, the prince? What is the problem?
Dad, he nags a lot. It's very annoying.
He nags a lot, is very annoying. But I told you to tolerate this young man, whatever, if you know what we stand to gain by you marrying the prince. I don't want us to lose this chance. It's an opportunity for us to have extra wealth.
I'm sorry, Dad. I'll try harder. I promise. But Dad, only on one condition. I do not understand what that thing at the gate is still doing here. Like, why is she still in this palace? Why hasn't she been sent out of this palace? Why? She must be sent out. I'm saying if you are serious about me settling down with the prince, she needs to leave at once.
Can you go and have your peace?
The environment is being monitored by Chief Security Officer of the Palace.
Hey, come on! I said, shut up.
You've seriously grown some stupid things. Your audacity is smelling. What are you doing here? No, tell me, what are you doing here? If you dare, haven't I warned you before? Now I'm asking you, what are you doing here?
Nnaji.
I'm eating.
You are eating? No, as who? A destitute like you who belongs to the gutters is having a meal on the royal dining table. Tell me about it.
Nnaji, let her be.
What?
She is my choice. As a matter of fact, she is the future queen of this kingdom.
Ah!
She deserves to sit and eat with me.
Mother, your silence is deafening and it's making me sick. I need to know why you're not saying anything. Like, why would you sit here and watch this evil play out right before your face and you're not saying anything? What is going on?
Nothing. Just that since your brother accepts her eating with us, I don't feel like fighting or chasing her all the time. So allow her to eat with us, please.
Nnaji, can you stop barking like a dog and eat your food before it gets cold?
Oh, wow.
I don't like the way you talk these days. You're beginning to talk too much and I dislike it.
And I'm back like a dog. No, I'm the mad one. You just called me mad because of this thing? No, I'm the mad one! Because of this thing! I am the crazy one.
Nnaji, please.
You!
Nnaji. Sit down and
this one I get the woman no way get the she got the power. Joy. This get the woman no, she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I dey wonder whether not juju she dey do. She got the power. How come on I go give her that royalty? nsogbu dị n'obodo. Amuche dey do magic where we no understand. I been a juju, I been a jassy. Now that's one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, she go here. If she call on the king, he go answer. I been a the princess. The prince is already in love. Amuche Gatewoman. We no understand. Now waiting you do. Yeah, this one I Gatewoman. No way get it. She got it power. Joy, this Gatewoman. No, she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace Gatewoman. She got it power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She got it power. But I dey wonder whether not juju she dey do. She got it power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She got it power. But now which kind Gatewoman no be this yo? She got it power. Amuche, yeah, go up we fall for my. She got it power.
How dare you?
Princess, careful.
I'm talking to you.
Now me, they back for like that, like dog when no get you. Huh? Eh? So, they did not teach you that you have to greet somebody before you start to talk to the person. Your security intelligence officer. Somebody that is protecting the royal household. You are talking to me like that. No respect, no regard, no remorse.
Hold on a second. Did I just hear you call me dog? You said I'm backing. Oh, I'm backing. You idiot. You bloody lowlife left your post where you were supposed to be mounting, to be resting in this room. I'm talking to you and you are challenging my orders?
I know why you diverse. I'm a who take information. See, I know why you dey para like snake with a pour hot water. Let me tell you. It's a secret. I'm not supposed to say it. What I'll tell you. If you see what me and your brother do last night, hey, make it more. The way Princess was touching me. So, the touch was too much. That's why
Hey. I need you to get up right now. Go back to your post where you're supposed to be, you low life.
I no go do am. That is not how they command an intelligent officer. If you want to talk to me with respect.
Amuche, I swear by the gods, do not make me lose it. I don't want to repeat myself anymore. Get up, go back to your posts.
Makagine Ememe, what will happen?
Intelligence officer, wait back. He pushed me.
If you come close, a man like you, Makachi, my pass.
Wait for me! Wait for me! Oh!
Onye bukwala no nwanne ya. Chena security bu guy name. No the training nga. E ma eba ma we zoom. Ta so na airport.
It is obvious that that girl at the palace gate is using charm on our king.
Alo, why did you say this? No.
Do you know, I spoke to the king about removing that girl from the palace. He vehemently refused.
Meaning he's afraid of her, or what? Did you tell the Igwe how she insulted us and refused us entrance into the palace?
It's actually what I told him first. But he said it is forgivable. The Agunze that I know will not only have that girl thrown out, but punish her accordingly.
Yes. Yes. I think that's what should happen.
You see why I said the king is under a spell and we must consult the Ezemo immediately?
I think so too. That's what we should do. Ezemo should come inside this. Ezemo should come inside this. There's no way Ezemo will not come inside.
So what I'm saying is that I need that idiot at the gate to leave this palace right now. Yes, I mean that idiot at the gate. She has to leave.
Calm down, calm down.
No.
What happened?
Mother, can you imagine? That idiot, I mean that cursed child, that gutter gets whatever, had the nerves to lay her filthy hands on me. I mean, she pushed me down.
She pushed you down? Why? What did you do?
What did I do? Okay, I came back, met the gate locked. I was honking. No answer. Yes. Tell me why she will leave her post.
You must have provoked her to anger before she pushed you down. Huh? Why do you bother disturbing this girl?
She was busy sleeping on Obina's bed. And tell me, is Obina's bed her post? Is that where she's supposed to mount? No, tell me what that idiot is doing on Obina's bed. Oh my God. Why am I even explaining myself in the first place? Because the both of you look so hypnotized. Like, yes.
What actually is your problem? Is there anything difficult in you opening the gate and coming in and locking the gate back? She may be very, very busy.
This is the truth, man. This is the truth. It's crazy.
Like I said, I am still your king. And listen with God. We are all humans. Please, I want to have my peace now.
You're making me explain over nonsense because of that cursed child. Mother, what has come over you? You're not talking.
See, Masinachi, there is no need of disturbing that girl. Give her some space. We can't be quarreling all the time.
I am disturbing a low life. I am disturbing our employee. I am disturbing a supposed Gatewoman. I'm disturbing a cursed child.
My daughter, I would like you to get this straight to your skull. They are all humans. Please, I need my peace now.
Our great king, Agunze, is not and was never under any kind of spell.
There's a more. I find it very hard to believe. If he's not under any spell, then what is happening to him? Why does he seem to be doing the bidding of a commoner in the palace?
It's him that knows the reason why he's doing what he's doing. I tell you once again, he's not under any kind of spell.
Tell me, madam, is there something that I should know that I don't know?
Like what? I don't understand.
The girl at the gate. All of a sudden, you are so friendly with her. What changed?
She's not my friend though, and will never be. Never.
I know you know what I'm talking about. You don't pick holes with her problems any longer. Whatever she does is right. And I'm curious to know what really happened, what changed your concept of her.
Really? You no longer pick holes on her method. What changed? I'm asking you, what changed?
But I asked the question first.
You answer it.
You answer me.
Please, I don't have time for this. I'm going out to talk later.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see her.
I was just coming from the shrine. I met Yezemo. And to my greatest surprise, he told me that the king is not under any form of spell.
Including my son?
Of course. I was confused. And I was just wondering what made the Igwe change suddenly.
Well, Honorable, that idiot at the gate has something on us. Yes, she has been following us around, or she has someone watching us. Hold on. She showed me this.
What? How did she get this?
That is the question she refused to answer.
Then we must destroy her immediately.
It's not that easy.
Of course it's easy.
She said she's not the only one in possession of this, in case if something happens to her.
My God. Then we are screwed.
My king, I was beginning to worry that you will not request for me or send for me again.
Start talking. Stay where you are. I just want to ask you something. I want the truth and nothing but the truth.
What is it, my king?
Are you working for that bastard at the gate?
My king, I am not working for anybody in this palace but you. I swear.
Do not ask my patience, because you can't stand the fire.
My king, I swear to you. I work for you alone.
For often time. Are you working for that bastard at the gate? Talk to me now.
I swear by the gods, I don't work for anybody but you. I swear.
Then how come? Look at this. Hold on. How come this picture? How come this?
What? How is this? How was this picture?
Are you asking me to ask who? Tell me the truth or I will skin you alive.
My king, I swear to you, I will never betray you. I don't know how this picture came about. I swear.
Are you telling me the truth? You don't know how this is talking about?
This one I get the woman where get the power. This get the woman. She no be ready. She got the power.
How dare you? How dare you? Huh? Look, listen to me. I don't know how you got the picture of me and the king, but I want you to get rid of those pictures wherever you stash them. Do you understand me? Do you get me?
So, I should trash the pictures because you say so?
Yes.
You are mad though. Who are you to command me?
You will do so because I said so. What is wrong with you? Why would you take such picture in the first place? Are you not scared of the king? Are you not scared of the king's wrath?
Shut up there. So you're not afraid of the queen? See, it's even the impetus, the gra for me, the ingapacity for me. After committing adultery, immorality, you have the impetus to walk up to the chief security officer of the royal household. Oh, it's only the king you are concerned about. You are not even concerned about what the queen will do when she finds out Nijegoni here. You are not bothered. You are here running your mouth like tap without control.
You better not tell the queen. You dare not tell the queen anything, okay?
See, let me tell you, because of the king, it's not because of you, because Orionye boy. If not for king's sake, I would have shown queen the pictures and watch her burn you alive. You would die, then you will understand that what you're doing is not good. Idiot. Okay, get out of my voice.
I have told you.
See.
If you try it,
I don't know why you're doing puff girl, because you've tested king something. No regard for chief security of this.
See, don't try it. Respect yourself.
Okay, get out.
Get out
of
If you try nonsense in this palace, me and you will fight in this compound. Better destroy those pictures.
Nonsense. If I were you, I would have hidden my face in one big box. Catch on. Negodu, akuna retire go there resume on a palace. Chief security officer na ekwu okwu, idiot. Ije we go ni hiwe. Taro mi eta mo. Papa Lesa,
My love, you don't look happy. What is it?
It's nothing.
Come on. You know you can always count on me to tell me what is the problem.
Sweetheart, it's my house. I mean, the palace. The palace looks so unrecognizable. Like, a lot is going on right now. It's as if my parents and my brother are under some sort of spell. You know? Like, I'm so confused. I don't even understand what is happening anymore.
Hey, just calm down. Take a chill pill. What are you talking about?
Listen, I don't want to ever go back to that house, that palace anymore. I want to just move in with you. Everybody there annoys the hell out of me.
Hey, you can run away from your family. You need them and they need you. What are you? Hey, stop. Come here. It's gonna be better when you smile. Right?
I know, and that's why I'm here.
Come here.
This one here.
Oh, you're going to.
This one I get the woman away get the she got the power. Joy, this get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I dey wonder whether not juju she dey do. She got the power. How come on I go give her that royalty?
This place needs to be clean. Queen, the place is very dusty and dirty. It needs to be cleaned.
Oh, really? Let me call the maids to do it.
No, it's not maid matter. You can do it now. You can, my queen.
Me?
Yes, you. Ha. How can you just sit? You are not doing anything. It's not good for you. At least use it as exercise. Clean, mop. If you still have power, you can wash plates and other things. The flour needs to be cut too.
I'm sorry, I can't.
You can't?
No, I can't do that.
If I show you some pictures, everywhere they are on fire. Will you clean it?
It's okay, I will clean. I will do it.
You are ready to keep the palace clean?
Yes.
Very clean.
I will do it.
Nice one, I'll be upstairs.
This one I get the woman away get the she got the power. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I mean you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power even to control the king.
My king, I heard it from Ezemo himself. You are not under any spell. Not you or anybody for that matter.
I never asked you to go to Ezemo for anything, did I?
My king, I had to. I and the kingmakers went there just to ascertain whether you are under any form of spell to make you do everything that girl asked you to do. All her biddings. But to our greatest surprise, we were told that you were not under any spell. And I want to ask my king, why do you always obey her?
Oh no. Honestly, I really want to get rid of that girl from my palace. How can you help me do that?
Igwe, you are the king. You can actually sack her if you want to.
Oh no, it is not as simple as you think. I need a plausible reason to sack her. So that it will not look, I am being wicked, sacking a girl that did nothing to me. Just provide me a plausible reason, and I'll sack her this moment.
Okay, my king, I just want out of the palace.
Oh no.
My king.
My blood is hot. I need I want to have some fun. My body is filled. My blood is hot, just understand.
She gets it power. Which kind get it woman no be this yo? She gets it power. Amuche, yeah, go on we fall for my. She gets it power. Wahala day, so good in no photo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand yo. I been a juju, I been a just yo. Now that's one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, she go here. If she call on the king, he go answer. I been a
Mother, what's the meaning of this? Are you alright?
I'm perfectly fine. I'm alright.
Mother, you're alright. So what then are you doing with a mopping can, and why are you cleaning the chairs?
What does it look like I'm doing? I'm cleaning. Moreover, the maids, they don't do it well, so I decided to do it myself. And it's part of exercise. As I was told.
Mother, I'm not comfortable about this. We have so many medians in this palace that can actually do this job. In fact, that is assigned to clean the palace. So why my mother, the queen, cleaning?
But your woman is okay with it. And I'm not complaining, am I?
My woman? You mean Amuche?
Who else?
I don't like this.
And I'm not complaining.
this one I get the woman who get it. She get it power. Joy. This get the woman, no, she don't be regular. She get it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She get it power. She carry power, even to control the king. Yeah. She get it power. But I dey wonder whether na juju she dey do. She get it power. How come on I go give her that royalty go do? She get it power. But now which kind get the woman no be this yo? She get it power.
Amuche, what's going on? I mean, what is wrong with you? What is happening? Why would you ask my mother, the queen of this kingdom, to clean the house? Why?
She never complained. Moreover, all she does is sit at home and enjoy the title of queen. It's no good now. A woman is not supposed to be lazy. And come to think of it, it's not also good for her health. Makonanka. Okawakita arthritis, lazy people will start happening to her. That is why I want her to be fit and agile. Only make to exercise. I use it as an exercise for her. Only for now.
Amuche, that's my mother. Your future mother-in-law that you let humiliate herself, doing a job of a maid. I want to ask you, what do you have on my mother that made her believe you without even questioning it?
I have nothing on her. It's just that she knows I'm telling her the truth. I know when you are saying the truth, everybody cooperates.
I don't like this. I don't like it. And I don't want this to ever repeat itself again in this palace. Do I make myself clear?
Hey. J-Love. Ọ bụrụ na ọ bụrụ love kwuo m ya maka chi mụ na ga-apịrị ya maka Chukwu ma abasị.
Amonte! Amonte!
How are you, Prince Chuka?
I am fine, my king.
And your parents?
They are fine, and they send their regards to you.
Good.
My king,
Yes.
I am here for my marriage proposal to your beautiful daughter here.
Good.
She met my parents, and they liked her.
Wow.
So I'm here to seek your consent.
That's good. That's beautiful.
And also, my king, we've agreed on the 4th night for the ceremony.
Wow.
Yes.
Nkechi Nnaji. What is your take to this?
But if it makes you happy, then I'm down.
That's big. That is stupid. And you? I see.
Good to go then.
Good. That's good. That's good. I have this belief that this union, this marriage is going to be very blissful and bring tranquility, peace for both families. The blessings will be much.
Yes, my king.
You think so too?
I believe so, and we will do our best in making your daughter the happiest lady on earth.
I'm okay. I brought you your food. I brought you your food.
Nne, open that food, eh? Test it. Eat 1 spoon.
Wait, I don't get. I brought you your lunch, so eat it.
You think I don't know you people's plan? It's me, Racheal, a G like me. Do you know what it takes to be into this security work? I can't see myself. It is me you were putting poison inside the food and you are expecting me to eat it. Nne, you are late. Oh?
Wait, I don't understand you. Are you trying to tell me that I poisoned your food?
If you did not poison it, eat it. Eat it, test it now. Just take a spoon and eat, then I'll eat the rest.
You know what? This will be the first and last time I'll ever serve you food in this palace.
You
will never eat my food again.
Get out!
You to get out!
Get out, idiot! It's me you people are using small charm to destroy. You think you can destroy me? Idiot! I'm prepared for you people in this palace. Thank God, ejigom bread. I've rescued my stomach with bread. Don't need your poisoned food. Eat it now, Pia. If ever I made your burial, eat that food. You will die one way.
This one I get it, woman, no way get it. She got it.
Look, listen, I'm not in the mood to talk to anybody. I don't want to talk to anybody at all. I just want to be left alone. Can I?
Well, you are right. Yes, you are right. I mean, something is not just right. Mom and Dad have not been themselves lately.
Same with you. You are not yourself as well.
You think so?
Yeah, tell me how you are yourself. And you went to go and choose that manipulative bastard at the gate as your wife. Make it make sense, bro.
And myself, I'm suspecting that she's using charm on Mom. I mean, I got back and I saw Mom cleaning the living room.
What? Wait a minute. You saw Mom cleaning the living room?
I swear to God, I was shocked. Huh? I mean, I haven't seen that happen before. And Mom told me that she's fine, there's nothing wrong with her. I mean, how? How is that even possible?
Oh my God. Now that you are back to your senses, moving forward, what next?
This Gatewoman, no, she no be regular. She got it power.
My prince. My prince.
My prince, what is the problem? It's like you're avoiding me. Eh? You don't want to talk to me again. Why now?
I have somewhere very important that I'm heading to. So when I'm back, we can talk about it. Please go get to the gate.
So you don't want to talk to me? Or the marketer? My prince.
What's the problem? I said I'm heading out. Please go open the gate.
So would no photo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jassy. Now that's one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, she go here. If she call on the king, he go answer. I been a the princess. The prince is already in love. Amuche Gatewoman. We no understand. Now waiting you do. Yeah, this one I get the woman. We get it. She get it power. Joy. This get the woman. No, she no be regular. She get it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She get it power. She carry power.
Wait, my prince, are you suspecting she's using charm?
My friend, I'm not just suspecting, but it's the fact that she's using charm on my parents. I mean, what else could she possibly use to the extent that this girl have the guts, the nerve to command my mother, the queen of this kingdom, to clean the house, and she will gladly do it without even questioning it.
My prince, you just have to end things with her completely. There's no point. You just have to end it with her completely.
Exactly my point. I would love to do it, but then I love this girl so much. She's everything and more that I've ever wanted in a woman. My heart is shattered. I'm disappointed that she decided to be this way. I never saw it coming.
My prince, you just have to relax, okay? You really have to relax.
I'm just wondering, why would she want to use charm on my parents when I have promised her that I'm going to marry her? So what's the need of the charm? To provoke me? Or what exactly?
My prince, you know for sure she's not capable to be your queen. So probably she's scared and she wants to make her security easy for you.
Why would she be scared? That's the point. Why would she be scared when I've assured her and reassured her that I want to spend the rest of my life with her? I mean, this is a lady that I love. Which other way am I supposed to prove my love to her? I've made a promise which I intend to keep. I'm just so annoyed. I'm disappointed.
My prince, you just have to relax, okay? You have to relax. But what will you do now?
I'll just drink and get myself high so I can forget about this girl. She's making me go insane.
This one I get the woman we get it. She get it power. Joy. This get the woman. No, she no be
Odogu looking like $1 million. Yes, I want you to take these clothes and wash them thoroughly for me.
What? I should do what?
You heard me, my queen.
But we have the laundry man that can do that for you.
I don't want the laundry man, I want you to do it. Moreover, you don't like doing anything. You like laziness, no obesity. Okay, you don't want.
Bring it.
Please wash it very well, oh. Make sure it's thoroughly washed because these are the clothes I wear when I'm not on my chief security officer costume.
Holiday, so would no photo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jassy. Now that's one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, she go ahead. If she
Are you still mad at me? We are sorry now. What's going to sorry? I'm sorry.
You're sorry. What are you sorry for? Listen, Amuche, I'm going to say this and I'm going to say it once, so I will need you to pay attention.
right? I'm not happy over how you treated my mother, the queen. What gave you the guts? You see, this whole relationship thing, I think is based on lies and distrust. For you to have opted for the charm, I mean, what were you thinking?
Prince, I'm sorry. Charm, you don't understand. I'm sorry, please now. I'm sorry.
I don't want to hear anything you have to say. I want you to go upstairs. Pack every single thing that belongs to you. You're leaving this palace today.
Hey, Prince Butu now. I'm sorry, please now. Please.
I believe you heard me clearly.
You can't do this.
I want
And
you to
he
go
just
into my...
did. He just did exactly that. Listen to me. You're leaving this palace permanently this period. Yes. You are leaving this palace. Bro, come, let's go get her things off your room. Immediately.
Baby, please now.
Please, just... Jesus.
Prince, please now. Hey, I'm sorry. Hey.
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey, she's the one I've chosen to be my queen. Before someone see me back, she's my bride, the chosen one.
Ozioma,
Yes, my king.
you said you want to tell me something. What is it?
Yes, my king. If you may allow me to speak freely.
But let me just say this straight. I want you to understand that what we had together before was a mistake that will never happen again.
I do understand, my king, but that is not what I want to tell you. It's about the queen.
What about the queen?
I think Amuche has something on the queen.
Like what?
My king, you can't imagine that I saw the queen washing Amuche's clothes and cleaning the whole palace. I saw her with my own eyes, my king.
Are you serious about what you've just said?
My king, I am dead serious. I know what I saw. I know what I saw.
My princess, I hope you got the pleasant pre-wedding gift I sent to your WhatsApp. Okay, like it?
How dare you?
Don't shout too much. No try go holla at me. Because if you do it, I will make sure Prince Choka gets those pictures before he wakes up.
No, you can't do that, you know.
You are trying me. They know they try security officer. You are trying me. Why wouldn't I do it? After all, you don't love him now. Do you want to marry him?
Do you know sending those pictures to him could get him to cancel my marriage?
Make it cancel and be better. You know Kuku they interested. You don't want to marry him. Do you love him?
I'm doing it for my father.
Yeah. I'm sure by the time he cancels it, your father will be very proud of you.
You know I have zero tolerance to lies. I want you, don't ever tell me lies. What is it?
What are you talking about? I don't understand what you are referring to.
Why are you watching clothes for that Gatewoman? Why? What is it that she's holding on you?
Me? Washing clothes for who?
for her?
Do not try to deny this because I got my information from a reliable source.
Oh.
Not just washing her clothes, you were also seen cleaning the house, the queen of this kingdom.
Well, tell whoever that passed the nonsense information to you that I was only doing it to keep fit.
Huh?
Mm-hmm.
We liars loudest lying to ourselves. Oh, you are cleaning the house and watching her clothes just for the fun of it. Really?
Really?
My queen. It's now becoming too obvious.
Your Highness, I need to see you ASAP.
I'll be right back.
Hey! Hold on. She barged in here, command you to come out and see her ASAP. And here you are, running out to meet her. Igwe, what does she have on you?
My queen, do not think that you're smart. I am not done with this discussion. I'll be right back.
Please.
But I told you. I begged you. I told you whenever I am with someone, especially members of my family, my wife, or even the elders, please, don't call me out.
Your Majesty, permit me to remind you that you do not have the right to tell me when to call you and when not to call you. As the Chief Security Officer of the palace, the most intelligent officer, I have the right to call you sir.
What do you want?
I want Ozioma out of the palace.
How?
Yes, she tried to kill me. I don't want her anywhere around this palace.
I don't understand. How? When? What occasion?
You need to send her packing, Your Majesty. Permit me to return to my duty post. When I mean she needs to leave, now. Right now, Your Majesty. Permit me to fall out.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got the power. This get the woman.
What do you want? I'm talking to you. What exactly do you want? Because I know cheap blackmailers like yours. I always wanting one or two things. So which of them do you want right now?
Now, why are you talking to me?
I am talking to you. Name your price. Whatever it is you want, you say it now. My friend, what do you want?
I want nothing.
There must be something you want. So I just need you to name it. Cheat people, poor people, this is how you behave. You try to betray, blackmail. Yeah, so what do you want exactly? Say it.
Princess. First of all, you do not have the moral right, the impetus, to speak to the Chief Security Officer of the royal household in such manner. Alo. Secondly, Zuzuru Sebapo, get out of my sight. Yes, you heard me. What?
Okay, it's fine. I know I've been unfair to you in the past. Yeah, it wasn't intentional, you know. But girl to girl, those videos, the pictures, they shouldn't get to my fiance, you know, or my father. It's going to ruin my marriage. It's going to scatter our family. Do you want that for your fellow girl? Now I'm talking to you as a fellow girl, you know. I'm sorry.
Apology accepted. You can go.
I'm going to listen. I need you to delete those, whatever you have in your phone right now.
It's like if I hear claim from your mouth again, I will make sure the Prince of Ebenator Kingdom gets those pornographic of you and your boyfriend. Please go.
I'm sorry.
You can go. Go now. I deserve my peace.
It's okay.
As security, I no key person.
Amuche they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jazz.
Oh my king, I can't wait. That's good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was a one. I like that. Thank you so much. So excited. Are you for real? Masinachi, I can't believe it. The apple of his father's eyes. My daughter. Your father is very, very happy today.
Father, I hope all is well.
All is well. You're just a blessing to me, to my family, to the general people. You won't believe it. I just got off the phone right now. King of Ebenator, Igwe Ozemena, awarded me a contract, a multi-million naira contract.
Oh, wow.
Just as a sign for you accepting to marry his son, the prince. Just that. He told me that the prince loves you so much. And he's ready to do more and more and more and more. My daughter, you're a blessing. Daddy is happy.
Congratulations, Father.
Such a huge win.
Huge win. Indeed.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power.
Amuchi, you did this to me, right? You did this. I did what to you? Meg now. You are the one laughed at. I did not do anything.
Look, I heard everything you told the king. I heard everything you said to the king.
Did I lie? No, tell me, what is one thing that I say to His Royal Majesty that is a lie? In fact, you want to poison me? The chief security of the royal household. Poison. And you still have the guts impetus to get out of the palace.
All you do is to cause trouble everywhere in this palace. But trust me, you will regret this.
Are you not regretting your life?
You will regret it.
At least I'm causing trouble. I'm not sleeping with somebody's husband. And I'm not trying to commit murder. Like you. Are you not regretting it? Oh yeah!
Someone said I meet me. Don't even touch me. Don't touch me.
Amuche they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jazz. Now that one we no know. Yeah, joy. If she call on the queen, if she call on the king, I been at the princess. The prince is already in love. Amuche get the woman. We no understand. Now waiting you do.
We are going to throw her out first thing tomorrow morning.
Who else if not that bastard at the gate? I mean, she have the guts to charm our parents. She's going to leave this palace first thing tomorrow morning.
Bro, no. You don't have to be picking decision, okay? You have to slow down. Even if she's going to go, obviously not now.
What are you talking about, sister?
We need to get full evidence. I mean, enough evidence before we kick her out.
What full evidence are you talking about? I mean, don't you see what she did to our parents? I think the best thing to do is even to have her arrested.
No, bro, listen. Yes, first, if we must arrest her or throw her out, we need to be sure she's the one that put the spell on our parents. so we can know the actual charm she used on them, neutralize it, and then kick her out. Yeah.
Master Nnaji, what happened? I mean, because I'm not understanding you anymore. Why the sudden... Oh, she got you too?
Call me? Obviously no. I'm 120% still very okay. Yeah, she hasn't gotten me yet. All I'm saying is, let's not be in a haste to make mistake. There's trouble.
You said that before, but I asked you to take things easy with your people. So what is it?
Apparently, someone has been monitoring us, okay? All our phone, the sex, everything. The person has been capturing it and a picture was sent to me.
What? Sent a picture to you?
Yes, the person has been recording all our moments, all our escapades.
Who the hell have the guts to do that to a princess? But this shouldn't be taken lightly.
It has gotten out of hand, and at this point, I think we have to stop saying.
Don't tell me you're quitting our relationship after all we shared.
No. I told you earlier that I have someone, a prince, right?
Yes, you said that. And I also remembered you told me you never liked him.
I lied. I was cheating on him with you.
Oh, babe, please don't do this. I don't know what you're insinuating. I don't know where you're driving at, but please don't do this. I love you genuinely and I believe you do same. But if it's what I'm thinking, please don't do it.
You will not understand. I'm sorry, we just have to stop seeing.
This is not happening. Please don't do this. I beg you, please don't do this.
Please. I need to go. I need to go.
Sweetheart, what is it? You've been moody since you came back. What happened?
Nothing.
You know that's not fair.
Look, Mom, I'm going through emotional stuff right now. I just need the time alone. Maybe I should be in my room.
I need you to help me get rid of that girl at the gate.
It's very simple. Just tell her to leave.
You know your father won't support that.
Then let it be.
Oh, hold on. Are you the one saying this? I thought you wanted her gone.
Oh, Mom, listen. I told you my head is full. I need to think. I'm not in that mood. Please. Please.
What is it that you can't come into the palace to tell me?
You know the king is around and...
And what? What is it?
My queen, it's been more than a week now since we last had them. You know what I mean. I can arrange for a place. That is if you need to go ahead today.
A place for what?
My queen, don't you miss me?
What is the matter with you? I'm asking, what is the matter with you? I told you that we have been discovered by that idiot at the gate, and you are here telling me about good time?
Well, my queen, that little idiot should not coerce you into fear and restraint. But why are you talking like this? You are the queen of this land, and she should be scared of you, not the other way around.
Obviously, you are out of your mind. No, you are out of your mind. But listen, if you want us to have good time, you see that thing at the gate, at the palace gate, get rid of her. Get rid of her out of the palace, if possible, out of this world.
I don't like this channel, let me change.
Let's watch football.
No.
African magic epic. Hey! Jesus! Hope we are doing it.
Yes.
Igwe, are you crying? Because I don't understand. Njideka Uchiru. Let's watch film now. I don't understand this thing you are doing, Igwe, because...
I'm watching.
No, you are not. You are not. Because after this film, I will ask you questions. And if you don't get it, man like Ekene.
What did you just say?
I said I will ask you questions now. We are watching to learn. And when you're not paying attention, I don't know how you learn.
Hey.
Are you okay? Igwe,
Huh?
you are sounding as if you're not happy that
I'm happy.
I'm chilling with you now.
I'm very happy. Yeah, that's a wonderful film.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You that came over and enjoy. You paid attention. Hi, that woman, though. Hi! Hi. You are doing Igwe.
Oh! What is the meaning of this? My family get up from there!
My queen in Abamba. Are you angry? Are you shouting? I know you as a soft-spoken woman. I don't know you in a
You may continue.
Hi, Jesus! Hi, that woman. Okeke. Oh my God. Igwe. You see it?
Yeah, nice movie.
Your Highness, I would like to have a word with you.
No, you cannot, my queen. When you walked in here, you saw me and His Royal Majesty watching film. Leisure time. Later, you can talk to him, not now. Oh? He's keeping me company. You cannot have a word with him. Later.
Yeah, she's right.
We are watching film. Igwe, no, now.
Yeah, I will join you very soon.
Igwe.
That is a wonderful
Igwe, that woman.
Exactly. The one on Blackmails.
That woman is very...
My queen, I will join you very soon.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got it power. This get the woman no, she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power even to control the king.
I called this meeting to let you all know that I am officially cancelling my marriage with Abuja.
What? Obina, why now?
But you said you loved her. Yeah, that was me to say. You loved her so much.
In my honest opinion, I don't think she's that bad for you. She's not bad at all. You know?
You know, I don't know what is wrong with you all. I don't understand you all. But I don't care. I mean, you guys can choose to remain under her spell as long as you want. But one thing that I know for sure is that I'm not interested in this marriage and I am done.
Obina, you better be interested. Obina, please come back. Let's discuss this. That girl is a good girl. Yes.
My guy, the worst has happened. Do you know this girl has practically used charm in every member of my family? I mean, each and every one of them is under her charm. The worst part of it is that nobody sees anything wrong in her acts. They no longer want her to leave. All of a sudden.
Her charms must be very strong. What do we do now?
What I'm going to do? Listen, I'm probably going to chase that girl out of the palace. I'm just waiting for the right moment to do the needful. Oh, I so much hate that girl now with passion. I hate her so much.
My prince, she's very wicked, I must say. You have to make a better choice next time when choosing a bride.
Chima, she is a devil. I mean a devil incarnate. I regret ever meeting her.
Ezemo, I need her dead. Do whatever you can to kill her for me. She has proven herself a huge threat to my happiness. I want her dead.
Need I remind you, no, that you're a titled man and a hand of a king. You cannot soil your hand with blood. Otherwise, there will be consequences.
I do not care about the consequences. I want her dead. Kill her.
Well, I cannot do that. It is an abomination for me to do that to a titled man like you.
Are you not hearing the honking?
Go and open the gate. Excuse you, like you want... What did you just say? A whole princess to go and open the gate?
Princess Makachi, if I mistakenly open that gate by myself, you won't like the consequences. No, let me go and open it.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll go.
Check who is at the gate. It won't.
Woo.
Okay. My boyfriend. Okay. You can want the permission.
It's okay. Here.
Oh, what's up now?
Welcome.
How come you're the one opening the gate when the Gatewoman is around?
Can't you see she's eating? So I didn't want her to open. She wanted to though. Just my way of showing love and humility.
Babe, you know you're so sweet, right?
I know.
So how are you?
Very well. What about you?
I had a very bad day, but so now I'm seeing you now. I'm happy.
You need to cheer up.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got the power. Joy. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power. She carry power even to control the king. Yeah. She got the power. But I dey wonder whether na juju she dey do.
Princess! Princess! I hope the gate is properly locked though. Yes, sorry, I'm not sorry.
Bina, I really do not know what came over me. I promise you, I wouldn't let her control me again.
I'm disappointed to believe that you would let her control you all of a sudden. Why would you fall for her charm so easily? Emeka Nnaji.
But I'm just telling you right now, here, right now, it won't happen again. Believe me.
Since the charm is clear in your eyes, we are going to find a way, okay? To take our parents out of this. I mean, to relieve them out of her charms. I hope you're with me on this.
Princess, fetch me water. Go downstairs and fetch me water.
You want water?
Yes, the one I wanted to use inside the bedroom. Perceiving that I don't like it, so put one sachet water inside and bring it.
Emeka Nnaji, are you going to do what she asked you?
Obina, she just said she wants me to help her get water. Bro, come on, it's just water. She needs help. Let me just help her get it.
So you're the helper?
It's not that deep, it's just water.
Princess, time is going. Water.
My queen, I am the king and your husband. I demand an explanation from you. What is going on?
What explanation exactly, if I may ask? See, Igwe, you have a skeleton in your cupboard and you are asking me to open mine. Why not open that your cupboard? Let's see what's inside. Because I know that girl is not using any spell on you.
Honestly, my queen, I am suspecting you. Seriously.
Same here. I'm suspecting you as well. Yeah. Please, let me be bigger.
We are beginning to rub shoulders of equality, Abi. We are beginning to rub shoulders.
If we go up, Marker, please. I'm not in the mood for that.
No way, I can't continue like this. No! How can I be taking orders from a nobody in my own father's house? The shame and disgrace have become too much for me already. I can't condone anymore. I have to do something and do it fast. That idiot will not continue controlling me and everybody in this palace. I have to put a stop to this.
Can I have your account details?
Your Majesty, for what?
2 million naira.
You are offering me money. For what, Your Majesty? Ebumago. What have I done?
Maybe the 2 million is too small. Don't worry. I'll make it 5 million naira.
Your Majesty, my question is for what? Why do you want to give me such an amount of money?
I want you to stop anything about those pictures. Wherever those pictures are, do all humanly possible to delete it from the source. As regards to my wife, I want you to tell me, what is it between you and my wife?
Well, Your Majesty, I've heard you. As the chief security officer of the royal household, I don't take bribe. That is number 1. Number 2, Your Majesty, is that you can keep your check. I have heard you. Keep your money. I have heard you. Keep your transfer, sir. I have heard you, Your Majesty.
20 million naira.
Even 50 million naira, mba.
This one I
should have told me.
I'm sorry.
So where's the food? Where's the man?
She's in the palace.
Still at the palace. Your parents allowed her to be there.
You do not understand that this idiot literally has everyone under her control.
This is serious. She needs to be eliminated.
Not as easy as you think. You know why? As I get in the pictures, she has a source. There's a source.
We'll have to look for the source before eliminating her. My only concern right now is you getting married to the Prince of Ebenato.
Listen, it shouldn't be a problem because the Prince of Ebenato is what my parents want, not what I want. You are definitely what I want and you know it.
Then if I am what you want, let's forget about your parents and run away. I can take care of you. Please, my love.
It's not as easy as you think. Do you actually realize I'm a princess?
That means you want to marry him.
Marry him? Right now, that shouldn't be your problem, okay? It doesn't matter. What matters is how to get those pictures destroyed. And even the source, like, I just want to end this whole madness right now. I feel so trapped It's crazy. It's eating me up.
This is not making sense to me at all. It's okay.
Amuche. When? Good.
You're enjoying, no?
It's the last drink.
I got it for you.
Jesus! For me?
Yes, I hope you like it.
It's beautiful. Njideka, can you let me drink water? I'm sorry, I cannot take it all.
Amuche, why now?
I can't remember telling you that I'm celebrating my birthday or anything.
I can't wait for your birthday to celebrate you now. You're my son's wife to be. Eh? I want to show you how special you are.
Even if you want to buy me phone, it should be iPhone 17.
iPhone 17?
Future. I want to be using future phones. I want to be the first person in Africa.
But it's not yet out now.
Let's wait for it to come out. Order.
I want us to be friends. Good friends.
Lolo. As I told you, tell me the truth. Why are you doing all these things? Me and you know that is not love. Why?
In fact, Amuche, I want you to delete those pictures of me that you have.
About for your use, my wife put my phone. I'll flash the phone for you. I cannot. That's a new home. It's my personal property. I cannot delete it. Table manner. I'm eating. My queen, with due respect, I'm eating. Please, can you go? Let me eat in peace. I cannot delete it. You can go with your phone. I'm not near with this. Emeka, God bless you. I'm near with But this should be our issue. I'm out for them.
How dare you? Will you get out of my sight? Or do you think I will fall for your charm as well? Huh? Please go and open the gate.
My prince, I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. But now.
I will never stop regretting giving you a chance in my life. You are a huge disappointment.
My prince, see, I know I'm not telling you anything because I don't want to tell you.
That was a big mistake. Please go and open the gate.
My prince.
The one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey. She's the one I've chosen to be my queen. Before so long seemed my best. She's my bride, the chosen one. Yeah, I'm with you, my lover. It's me and you. No matter what, you will be my queen.
Hey! Come this way, Diana, get into trouble. You don't have car. You want to enter through the big gate. Well done. Well done, eh? Hey, wait. Awesome weather. Who are you? What is your name?
My name is Chetachi, the new palace cook.
can go. To the boys' quarter where you belong. Yes.
Boys' quarter. Yes, inside. Straight. Don't worry, don't worry.
Nnaji, welcome to the palace.
Oh, thank you so much, my princess.
I'm going to proceed to show you your room, you freshen up, and resume work immediately.
No problem, my princess. Thank you so much for this great opportunity.
You're welcome. And please, hope you still remember our agreement.
Yes, of course.
Very important. Thank you. Mom.
How are you?
Fine.
Who is this?
Okay, this is Chetachi, the new cook I brought to replace the one that left.
Oh, greetings, my queen.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Greetings.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome to my home.
Thank you, my queen.
Okay, let's go to the boys' quarters. Let me show you your room.
Okay, my princess. Greetings, my prince.
Greetings. And you are?
My name is Chetachi. I am the new palace cook.
Oh, really?
Yes, my prince. I came to tell you that the food is served.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Do you want me to do anything for you?
No, I won't be needing any of your services at the moment. But if I do, I will let you know. Okay? You can leave now.
Okay, my prince.
Food for you. It's like you have respect. So see the way you just said ma. Unlike that idiot, that anofia, a fool at 40, big for nothing that was working here before. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
But the thing is, like, you're not properly aware. I can't eat here. You have to take it back and wait for me at the dining.
I should take it back to the dining.
Yes. That is where I eat.
Wait, let me understand. You mean you eat with the king and his family?
Of course, I'm a family too. Oh, royal household. That's where I eat.
Wow. Okay.
Ha. I think I like her. She has respect.
This is nice.
My king.
You're a good cook.
Thank you, my friend.
Keep it up.
Thank you, my friend.
I can attest to that as well.
I mean, now let's go for the best. I have eyes on the best.
Honestly, my daughter, your selection is perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah. So how far? What is going to happen about the marriage plans? We are going to do all humanly possible.
Palace cook! Cook!
Why did you stop talking, father?
Cook! Yes. See, I want to eat my own food. I want it very hot. Please, make it hot and bring my own juice for me. Oh? Maybe use it beyond. Fast.
Okay.
Why are you disturbing us here? And why are you even here? What are you doing here?
I'm here for us to eat as family now, eh? Igwe, are we not family?
It's okay. So can't you do it somewhere else? Must you be here?
Do you want to separate this family? Family that is together, stays together.
Exactly.
Goku!
How did you do it? I don't understand. You are so free with the royal family. You even speak to them like they are your family members.
Before, uncle, are they not? Ha! Somebody that wants to marry the prince, is she not royalty by association?
Wait. You want to marry the prince?
Yes.
No. You mean to tell me that the prince has proposed to you?
He proposed though. Oh, you're very well. So, as you are looking at me now, you are looking at your next future queen.
No, I want to understand this. Because I have never seen a gate man or woman relating the way you are relating with the royal family. You're almost commanding them. I hope you know that.
It is the work of Jesus and it is marvelous in our eyes.
Please tell me, how did you do it? How did I do what? Getting close to the king, getting close to the royal family.
See, let me tell you, you don't have to envy me. I'm not a Google, but what you need to do is to be doing your work diligently. Do what is good. Stand on the right path. Before you know it, they will start liking you.
Are you
and
serious?
They will bring you close so that you'll be part of us. Yes, us, the royal family, all of us. You will join us. I know the way you're looking at me. You're looking at me, learn this one, learn. Nah, you don't know. Don't look at me like that too, because Allah fake Akwa baby prince. And you know you are not me, and I can never be you. So go to kitchen before
It's okay.
Alright, go to your duty post.
This one I get the woman away get it. She got it power. Joy. This get the woman, no, she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power, even to control the king.
Any luck?
Not yet, my princess. But I am still making progress.
Listen, you gotta hurry up. You have to hurry up. I'm running out of time. I need to know who took those pictures and where they kept the remaining copies.
Okay, my princess. I will do that.
You can go.
Amuche, please come. Please help me buy a recharge card from that one orchard down the street.
Me? Ha. You don't know how to buy a recharge card from your mobile app.
Amuche, please help me out.
Ha. Okay, I will. Queen, I want to confirm. Yesterday night when you people were talking about me, what did you say?
Oh, that. I will tell you about it when you...
No. It's not when I return. I want to hear right now. Oh, guy.
Well, Obina said he is no longer interested in you. That he's cancelling every marriage plan.
And what did you say?
Well, we begged him not to.
Are you sure?
We begged him not to take a rash decision. Though the other day, he told us about it. We thought he was joking. We repeated it yesterday when we were having dinner.
See, your only work is to remind him that I love him so much and I care about him.
Sure, I will do that.
Tell Igwe, if I go and come back, I don't want to see Onowu. Onowu should go before I return.
Okay.
Wahala dey, so good in no photo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand. I been a juju, I been a jazz.
Yes. I'll send her out.
Good.
Call him immediately.
Okay. Hello? Yes, Samson. Yes. She's coming out now. I hope you and your boys are ready. No mistakes. I don't want story. Good.
I'm sure that by the end of today she'll be history. What a cursed child found her way into the palace working as security.
That's enough.
Holiday, so would in Novodo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jassy. Now that's one we know.
I'm back. Recharge card. Nah, you know most people are buying their card now with mobile app. So getting this card was difficult. And the sun, Kego, I need to go and rest now. Igwe, I want to use your toilet. I want to go there. Can you say I want to shit? When I'm done shitting, wine. You have wine in your room. I will bath there. I will drink wine and rest. Yes. As the chief security officer of the royal household, I deserve something good. Permit me to fall out, Igwe. Hey!
What happened? I thought you said you had fixed this. What is this?
No, I don't know. Let me call Samson. Hello? Yeah, Samson. What happened? You disappointed me. What happened? She is alive. The idiot is still alive. Very much alive. What?
What is he saying?
She did not show up. How? Alright. Okay. Bye.
What did he say?
He said he and his boys stood where we asked them to. And the girl did not show up.
Ah! Impossible. Unless somebody tipped her.
Who could this mystery person be? Who is the person that must have tipped her? You people are confusing me.
My dear, it is because of what I know in this palace. That is why the king and queen almost killed me. They almost killed you? Yes. Why would they want to hurt you? Because of the information I have, all the risky. Guy, all the is more risky. So, this palace that everybody hates me, how do you think I'm surviving? All my information in Jina, Ejimhana, Urihe, excluding me. I don't hate you. I like you. That's why you see me talking to you all the time. But you have to tell me that information. I can suggest a safe place for you. I can keep it safe for you. Neyman Water, you will not understand. See, the moment I tell you this secret, you will not be safe again. I can be safe. Because you don't understand how powerful this information is. Don't worry, I will be okay. Oh, let me go back to my duty post. Huh? Okay, I'll handle it.
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey, she's the one I've chosen to be my queen. Before someone see me back, she's my bride, the chosen one. Yeah, I'm with you, my lover. It's me and you.
Good morning, my prince. Oh, my prince, I hope you slept well.
I'm fine. You shouldn't dress like this to my room.
Ah, my prince. I am sorry. I needed to clean the room before having my bath. I'm sorry.
You are too exposed. Please don't come to my room next time dressing like this. Okay?
My apologies, my prince.
She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey, she's the one I've chosen to be my queen. Before someone see me back, she's my bride, the chosen one.
I think it's time I stopped eating this palace food though, and limit the way I go out. If the queen and king can arrange for me to be assassinated, then it means they can poison me as well. Hi, hello. I think all they want now is to get rid of me, even if the pictures will come out after my death. They don't care anymore. I need to be very careful. I can't wait to expose it all. I think the time is here. Ugeberula lambabu. Usubirila.
Amu baby. You're shining, man. Amu baby. Amu asamu magodi. Oh, make this here. Nah, this one your face is like you smile for me now. Just one. Now you're looking so beautiful. I brought fresh apples for you because you are the apple of my eyes.
I can't take it though.
It's straight from my heart. Why won't you take it?
Something you stole from the palace cannot come from your heart.
I am the palace guard in this royal palace, and I have the right and I am entitled to take whatever I want in this palace.
Including Igwe's throne. Onyoshi, go and take throne now. You have the right to take anything you want to take.
Can't you see that I care about you? I'm doing all this because of the love I have for you.
I did not come to this palace to do love with any guard or any driver or anybody. I don't want it. I'm here to work.
I know the cause of all this. The prince, right? It's because of the prince. That's why you're behaving like this.
I don't even know what you're talking about, sir.
Don't even try to deny it. Oh, you think I don't see all your curated movements with him? I see all of it.
What do you want?
I care about you. I just want us to be friends. That's all. That's all.
No problem. You will be my friend. But before then, there is something I want you to do for me. Jesus!
The queen is actually cheating on the queen.
I knew something was wrong. See, let me tell you. It's not only the king though. Even the queen is cheating. Let me see that. Let me see that. I think we know. Shh. Watch.
Don't be serious. I saw him the other day with Ozoma.
See, what I want you to do now, I want you to monitor the queen for me. You see this kind of picture you took of Igwe? I want you to monitor
this
her.
is very, very risky. Why are you doing this?
And I thought you said you want to be my friend.
Why can't you just ignore all this and behave as if you don't
I don't know. You will not understand. You will not see. It's not only the queen. I want you to monitor prince. I want you to monitor princess. Everybody, once you see them in any unpleasant situation, Bakam is a photo of you.
Amo, this is very risky.
My name is Amuche. Put Amo. Oh yeah.
Amuche.
You will do it for me or not?
See, it's because I like you guys. But this is very risky. Please don't do it.
Yeah, I love Amo. Wait. I thought we agreed that you're not going to show your face. Yes, it's your face.
I missed you now. So is this your way of thanking me for giving you a call that saved your life? I saved your life.
My brother, I fought on my mail. These people wanted to kill me.
You're lucky. You're lucky that one of the assassins is my friend. And he knew you were my friend. He knew you were my friend. You understand? That's why he told me. If not, he would have killed you. And he now told you, thank God, please, you need to stop all this. You need to stop this. It's getting dangerous. You need to stop it. Please.
The truth is, before you told me this thing, myself, I don't think actually, but I still need more time. And it's very soon.
Why?
There's someone in this palace that I really want to know who she is.
You need to stop all this. You need to stop all this. You need to stop all this. It's getting too dangerous for you.
Later. Bomb. Thank you.
Holiday, so wood in no photo. Amuche they do magic where we no understand the I been a juju, I been a jassy.
My princess, hey, my princess. Hey. What is wrong with you? No, what in the name of God is wrong with you? Like I'm seriously gutted at you. No, why is it taking you so long to do the little assignment I brought you in here to do?
My princess, believe me, it's not as easy as you think. That lady is very stubborn. She hardly starts conversation with me. Each time I try to start a conversation with her, she changed the topic and
what? Oh, you say it now like you are incapable of doing what I brought you here to do. Is that it? No, the question is very simple. Can you or can you not? I'm asking you right now.
My princess, I can do it.
Oh, you can? In that case, I give you 3 days. 3 days. If after 3 days you do not deliver, consider yourself fired.
What's that? I don't think I am ready to leave this palace just like that. No way. She can't just send me out. I won't allow that to happen. I must do something very fast.
Yes, I spoke to her, but she said you're not easy getting close to me.
Listen, your friend is messing with me. I'm running out of patience already. Alright, you promised me she was going to deliver. And now, I don't know, my wedding is fast approaching. Yet, nothing.
Just calm down. Let's get
Few time? Listen, if she can't do it, she better say it. Instead of wasting my time so I can find another person.
You know my heart skips each time you talk about it.
Listen, I already told you that the wedding is just to get what I want. My wedding to that boy is just to get what I want. Once I get it, it's over. Alright?
It's okay, my love. I can't wait.
Please, better talk to her. Let me know if she's going to deliver or not. Please. Thank you.
This one I get the woman no way get it. She got it power. Joy. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got it power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got it power. She carry power even to control the king.
Igwe. Lol, I want to tell you people something. I have told all the people with all the pictures and videos I have that if anything happens to me, they should use those pictures and videos as souvenir on my burial day. It's just information I'm giving you people. Whoever that is planning to kill me, to conceal information,
I don't understand what you're talking about.
You don't understand. You have provoked me. You people want to assassinate me because of what you think I know. You think you can kill me like that? Like that. You can't. Your Highness, you can't kill me now.
I'm as confused as confusion is. I don't understand.
I don't understand what you're saying.
You are confused. Your wife is confused. No, you too, you don't understand what I'm saying.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Okay, let me take it that you people don't understand what I'm saying. But all I'm telling you is that the pictures and videos I have, other people are with it. And if anything happens to me, they will share it as souvenir on my funeral day.
That girl was talking and was facing you directly, pointing at you.
Not me. She was facing you and talking to you directly. What?
As I got into this, today I will unravel the mystery behind this. That day bubble will burst.
Today I will unravel the mystery behind this. That day bubble will burst.
As I got into this.
You will. I'll go on my hand and hide. You know what you're hiding. You know what you're hiding.
Nah, it is too much. Idiegu. I twirl for you. In fact, I come on cap for you. Eat the bar. Eat the woo. Hey! God, oh.
Why all this noise?
I saw it all and I heard it all. You were literally commanding the king and the queen. They were trembling before your presence.
Cheru.
You are good at what you do. Eat the bad. Eat the woo.
So, you were listening to my conversation with the royal household. A chief security officer is having conversation. And the negent, you were listening. Why?
No verse. I was just passing and I heard it.
Next time when you're passing, pass. Cover your ears and pass. Mind your business.
It's okay now. Just calm down. Wait. Now, I know why the king and the queen are so afraid of you. So you have a video of them doing bad thing, right?
I don't understand your question. Do you think I'm enjoying what I'm doing? Ne, for your own safety, security, stay away from this matter. Wepu onwe gi na mata imambu nkwie o. Isi kakaraka bi ihe na ebu ogudu. Isi akaraka bo yo meruo ya aro. You see this particular matter, bupu aro ba? Don't involve yourself because you will not like the outcome.
Just calm down. It's okay, just calm down. You mentioned about someone having a copy of the video. Can I also have one? So I can keep it safe for you where no one can see it.
I said, stay away from this matter. You will see it, and when you see it, you man like it.
You know it's more delightful watching the king and the queen bowing and trembling before a commoner.
Who is a commoner? A mama? Look at me now, a whole chief security officer. My name is Amuche. I am not a commoner. Because now in each causes you one place, you are calling me again.
Just calm down. I didn't mean to say that to you. Can I have a copy of the video?
DJ Megan.
I just want to keep it for you.
Don't keep for me. Get where months your girl. If you get that thing you are looking for, you will not like it. Me that is doing this stage and not dream easy. You think I like it? You think it's easy for me? I am telling you, stay away for your own security. Chief Security Officer of the royal household have spoken.
This one I get the woman away get the power. This get the woman, no, she no be regular. She got the power.
What's the meaning of this?
My prince, please, just calm down.
What are you doing here?
I noticed you have been stressed and unhappy recently. I came to make you happy.
No, please.
I came to offer you my body.
I'm not interested. Oh, please, don't ever come to my room to do this again.
Oh, my prince, please don't say this to me.
Stop! What is wrong with you? Get up from here. What is wrong with you? What has gone over you?
My prince, am I not attractive enough? Why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me?
Can you stop this madness?
I came to take you to heaven.
Take me to heaven.
Yes. Oh, my friends,
Please,
I like you.
don't ever come. Whoa, stop! Get out from here!
I'm so sorry.
I said, get out! What kind of madness is this?
How dare you? No, how bloody dare you?
My princess, please, I can explain this.
You can explain
Please.
what? You can explain what, you sneaky tiny bastard? I actually brought you to this palace to get a job done for me. But instead you chose to be meandering, sneaking around my brother. So this is who you are?
No, my princess, please. Just forgive me. I thought I can do the job, but I couldn't. She has proven herself to be a difficult fish to catch, and I don't want to leave the palace. So I had to improvise by finding another way to remain in the palace. Please.
Oh, you went after my brother so you could remain in the palace. How convenient, how ambitious.
My princess, please, just forgive me.
You're nothing but a fool. A big one at that.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, forgive me. Please.
Out! Get out! Ah, what? Why is Jesus so? Jesus! I will kick you. I will kick the hell out of you. Get out. Please make sure she leaves this place. Get out now. Get out. It's yours.
My friend.
Shut up.
You almost fooled me into believing you are a genuine person in this palace.
But I am a genuine person. All I needed is just to work in the palace.
Shut up your mouth. How are you a genuine person? You have the guts to go to the prince's room, Prince Nkemukwa.
You won't understand what brought me in this palace.
I don't care. That same thing that brought you has taken you out of the palace.
Please, help me talk to them.
See,
Princess,
you know
please.
Princess is speaking English. I'm the only genuine person in this palace. Everybody's secret and genuine.
I need my money.
Which money?
The money we all agreed on. I need it.
On the job you did or the one you did not do? Huh?
What are you trying to say? Even if I didn't get the information you asked me to get, for the days I stayed in the palace, I need to be compensated.
Compensated? Me? No, Lisa, compensate you. For what? No, I should compensate you for what?
For the
for
job
failing.
I did.
I should compensate you for failing, right? Listen, I don't want to be angry. I will just pretend I didn't hear what you said. Just leave this place. Get out.
Leave where? I am not
get
going
out.
anywhere. After risking my life to do a job for you, you don't want to pay me. You have to call Princess, so I am not going anywhere. What do you mean that I should leave?
You see, I hate repeating myself. I just said you should get out. Leave.
I am not going. Give me my money.
Go, get out of this place. Get out of this place. If I slap you,
You don't want to give me my money.
Come on,
We
get
shall
out.
see. You will see me now. We shall see.
This one I get the woman no way get the power. This get the woman no she no be regular. She got the power. I be you don't see our palace get the woman. She got the power.
Check Waka Gate Palace. You want to break the gate?
Please, I want to talk to you.
You again?
Please, I want to talk to you, please.
Now this girl will pay God too. So you have the guts to come to this palace after everything you did.
Please, just calm down and listen to me. There is something I want to tell you.
I don't care. I don't want to hear what you have to say. Because he can be. In my God, you went to seduce my prince, knowing fully well he's my man. How dare you, Oiso?
Please, just calm down. Okay, I am sorry. I am so sorry.
What are you doing here, Osama? I'm sorry.
The princess and her boyfriend was the one that brought me here for the first time. After promising to pay me huge amounts of money for the job. And the job they asked me to do, aside posing as the palace cook, is to extract information from you.
Which information?
Those videos of her you have. Yes, she told me about the videos before I came to the palace. She also told me that I should become close to you so that I can gain your trust. They really want to get hold of the person that recorded that video through me.
So you came here as a spy. You were not a sacco. You see, human being, you came here as a spy.
I am sorry about that. Please.
Please what?
Just forgive me.
Let me even ask you, why are you telling me all this now? To what end?
They have not paid me.
No.
It's not really what I want.
What do you want?
Please. I want you to help me talk to the king. I am jobless. I don't have anything I'm doing now. I want to... Oh, Jesus.
Get out, idiot. Karobido do a jobless. Useless spy. Now you are going to work for free. Idiot.
In all happiness and joy, a woman of substance.
Find it very well.
A woman that has international value. Bring your head out. Permit me to crown you this day. The future queen of this kingdom. And your head. Who the cap fits?
Let she wear it. Oga Bale. Igwe.
What?
And a total replacement.
What's the meaning of this?
Igwe one.
It's okay. This way.
No. No. That can never happen. That can never happen. Not in this house. Not in this place. You're leaving this palace today, and there's nothing that's going to make me change my mind.
My prince, this okpa is very sweet. Do you want to have a taste of it?
Are you not hearing what I'm saying? I said you're leaving this palace today, and that's final.
Ha! But now, what is it? Calm down. We are sorry. Sorry now, don't be angry. Sorry. I'm just sorry. See.
Listen, I don't want to listen to anything you have to tell me, okay? Your plan is to destroy my family, and I will not let that happen. You see this whole thing called relationship that bonds us together. I don't want it anymore. I mean, it's over and that's final.
Jesus, Oh yeah, okay, oh yeah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It all started when I noticed the height of immorality in this palace. And I said to myself that I will stop it. I like Romi Oduroma. Ihoja Aduroma. So my only mistake is that I did not tell you on time. I'm sorry. That was what happened though. After I caught Igwe with the cook, Nekwe cannot again. I now caught Queen with Onowu. Mpuna Ueju everywhere. I did not know what to do. I did not know what to do. And if I had told you, you wouldn't have believed me. Even though I know that I would tell you, but the date is what I don't know.
Why didn't you open up to me even when we're so close?
You wouldn't have believed a common gate woman like me that your mother and your father maybe they maybe. You wouldn't have believed.
Well, you should have told me.
I know I would tell you. I was just looking for evidence. The pictures and video are all I needed. Kamujide proof. I needed proof. You know, it's not something you can just come out and say like that. We are talking about royal household.
So tell me the truth. How did you get the pictures?
Well, me my man through gas now. Oh my guy, is Ejike. You know the former palace guard Ejike. He loves me so much. He even proposed to marry me. He said he wants to marry me. So because I know he can do anything for me, all of them, I took advantage of it. I asked him to get those videos and pictures for me. Immediately he was done with the assignment and said I resign here because I know that if they catch him, so that is why. That was how I got those things. I said I would tell you, but I'm sorry. You know, I got carried away because of the things I have and know. I was controlling the royal household. The thing I thought I'm no me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. You know, go now.
Recently, I learned something that I would like to share to you all. Something very disgracing and disappointing. So, I'm going to cast it from my phone to the television so every one of us can see it clearly.
What is it, son?
Patient father.
Okeke. This is what you've been doing in my absence. Is this what you have been hiding from me? Having an affair with my no. How dare you? How dare you?
Look at you. Ketu calling pot black. No, you want to blame me for following your footsteps. And Your Majesty, look at you. You had an affair with maid. Maid, your own maid. Then several mistresses. And you want to blame me for doing the same thing that you did? Ah, Igwe, indeed. You were a shameless, perfect man. That's what you are. Shameless, perfect man.
Well, I can actually explain my own because it's not that deep.
Don't even bother. For you to have the nerve, the guts to cheat on Prince Chooks tells how terrible of a person that you are.
I never loved him. It was obvious, like even the blind could see. I do not love him.
So you never loved him and you made him fall in love with you, believing that he's into something that he's not into. Why would you do that? You should at least tell him that you're not in love with him instead of cheating on him.
Rina, everything you see me doing was just to please father, not like it was actually my own will. Okay?
Son, honestly, I am deeply ashamed of myself.
for what you've just shown me now. I thought I was having fun. I never knew I was jeopardizing my family, bringing shame to the entire family. I'm sorry, son. Deeply sorry for this. He's enunciating. I'm sorry, son.
If not Amuche, who reached out to Ejike, the former palace guard, who helped her with those videos, I guess people would have continued with your iniquities, thereby generating generational calls to this palace. This is very shameful, and start pointing further.
Jeez.
I don't have time for any conversation. Allow me to pack my things and leave.
My love, but you can't leave me here. You can't just leave me like that.
Why won't I leave?
Please, you can't.
I only wanted to stay here and expose the king and the queen. Now that my job is done, I am going. You say you don't want me. I knew it, that there is no way you would genuinely love and marry a commoner like me. Go and find your class and marry.
Amuche, come on. Amuche, stop now. Come on, I wasn't saying that way. Okay, if I was seeing you as a commoner, I wouldn't have proposed to you in the first place, but I did. I'm sorry, I know I have wronged you. Okay, by cutting off our relationship and marriage plans, but that's because I thought you were using charm on my people, and I felt bad about it. Please, I'm very sorry. Don't take it to heart.
No problem, but I'm no longer interested.
Amuche.
No, please don't.
Amuche,
Yeah,
please.
stand.
Amuche,
Don't kneel down for me.
Amuche, please listen to me.
Oh, yeah, just stand before I listen. Stand, please. Don't kneel down.
Please. Amuche, please. It will be an honor to me if you accept to be my wife. Okay, you know, just like I've always told you before, you're everything and more that I want in a woman. In fact, you're a lady that any man who's right sensitive will fall head over heels in love. And I will fall in love with you over and over again. Amuche, if you leave me, who are you leaving me for? I am empty, practically empty without you. Your smiles, the way, your funny things, know how you act, know how you do it. These are the things that makes me happy. I love you so much. Please, don't leave me.
I love you too. It's just that you hurt me.
I'm sorry. I know that I hurt you. I'm sorry. And I promise, going forward, I will never do anything to make you angry. Okay? I'm sorry.
Jesus, stop it. I like it.
I can say I'm in love.
Son,
My king,
thanks for coming on a show with us.
you're welcome, my king. You know, we've been busy with the preparations for the marriage this coming weekend. And all preparation has been made. We're having a very big reception.
My daughter has something to say to you. I would like you to listen to her religiously.
Okay, my king. Babe, what do you want to say?
I really don't know how to begin to say it. I just want to confess to you that I haven't been honest with you from the get-go of this relationship, and it bothers me real bad.
It's fine, babe. I understand and I forgive you, okay? We're getting married and that's the most important thing right now.
It's deeper than that, Chuka. You know, before you came into my life, I already had someone that I'm in love with. I didn't want to go ahead with you, but after my father explained to me the benefits marrying you would bring to the family, I had to accept the proposal. But not because I love you. It was just to please my father. I resorted into cheating on you with the one I love.
You mean this is the reason why you've been avoiding me all this while? Then why did you agree to marry me? Why?
Like I said before, it was to please my family. My father especially. I don't want to continue living a double life. I don't want to cheat in my marriage. I just want to stay true to myself, to my husband. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
Son, it's all my fault. I was really selfish about my business ties with your dad, your father the king. And that beclouded my sense of reasoning. I never thought of the multiplier effect of infidelity in marriage. It is the shortest route to it, marrying whom you do not love. I'm sorry, son. So that's why I called you to clear the clouds. I know how it feels, but the truth must be told. I want to be redeemed to myself. Yes. Sorry, son.
I'm sure you know my father won't forgive you for this.
Yes, I know, vividly. And I'm prepared for the consequences. I'm sorry, son.
Anyways, as for you, this is the first time you're being truthful to me. But I don't know why you have to wait for this long. Why?
My queen, I lack words to express what I'm about to say. Now, yes, I've been cheating on you, but it's not my making. One of the days, I was depressed. Ono actually suggested that I should sleep with a certain woman to kill my depression, and I did. And after that, I've been having this random sex. Unnecessary appetite for sex becomes my norm, to the extent of sleeping with different mates that you know and all whatnot. But now, honestly, I am here to say I'm sorry for this nonchalant attitude of mine. Please, it won't happen again. I've come to my senses. Accept my apology.
Your Highness, I don't deserve your apologies because I'm equally guilty of the same sin. I allowed Ono to deceive me. One day, Ono suggested you may be cheating on me. Though he didn't show me any proof, but he sounded so believable. I was angry and decided to retaliate. I had an affair with Ono. I'm so sorry about it. I'm sorry.
Indeed, Ono is a villain. The same Ono. It's alright. Ono will never go scot-free. I'll make sure I'll deal with him decisively. He must be punished for deceiving me this long, destroying this family to this magnitude. He must be punished. It's okay, my queen. I am deeply sorry.
I'm so sorry.
Oh, I was actually sending for you before you arrived.
Greetings. Your Highness.
Greetings. My prayers. We are deeply sorry. Our nonchalant attitude all this while, promiscuous life and all whatnot. We are deeply sorry for not carrying you along in truism and faith. Please, we are sorry and we promise that from today we make amends. And our life will continue to move positively to the right direction. It's a promise. I'm sorry, deeply sorry for this.
My dear, we know that our actions disappointed you, and we are very, very sorry about that. We all make mistakes, and we have changed for better. Please, do give us another chance to make things right.
Yes,
please.
It's fine, Father. It's fine, Mother. I am glad that you both have decided to make peace and also forgive each other. I mean, it's a good thing. Even the Bible says that we all have sinned and became short of the glory of God. Is there no downfalls in this family? And I believe that going forward, everything will be fine and rightly done. Father, I'm here again to present to you a very sophisticated person. A lady whose smiles melt my heart. A lady that any man in his right senses will fall head over heels in love with. And speaking of, no other person, but this gorgeous Amoche right here.
That's wonderful.
Wow. You have our full support this time around. Yes.
You know something, son? Amuche here is God's chosen. This is the only lady that God used to review the atrocities and iniquities going on in my kingdom. And God also used her to resolve those atrocities. I think she's a wife material. I'm not thinking, she is a wife material. You have my full support here.
Thank you, Father. Let's assume that I'm the son of his father.
I can't waste more time. Just step forward and kneel in front of me for my blessings. I am happy. I bless you this day that is mine.
Oh, yeah. She's the one I've chosen to spend my life with. She's captured my heart. I can say I'm in love. Hey. She's the one I've chosen to be my queen. If I saw lost in my bed, she's my bride, the chosen one. Yeah, I'm with you, my lover. It's me and you, no matter what. You will be my queen. Hey, I'm with you, my lover. It's me and you. No matter what they do, you will be my queen.